And we are back. Well, now we're back. Yeah, so we had some technical issues with that particular live stream, so we've had to restart everything. It's kind of annoying, but it happens sometimes. So yeah, 6,000 subs. Let's get that out of the way. We're gonna go through news today. We're gonna go for a lot of things. So now we've looked at some of the earliest videos we made. Now I want to look at some of the most popular videos that we made. One of the most annoying videos that I've made was my first video on Mina protocol. And that's one of the reasons why this video is so unpopular is simply because I didn't know what I was talking about. I did not do enough research. And people didn't really enjoy this video because they could tell that I did not do enough research. So that was annoying. But you learn, you live and you learn. Like 55 dislike on this video. Yeah, you live and you learn. But I learned a lot from making that video, that you have to do your research when making crypto videos. And so we did. And now we've made better videos. We've made the Keen protocol video, 258 likes on that video, only 12 dislikes. That's good. I'm happy with that. I'm more than happy with that. We've got a Revain video that's got like over 100 likes, almost 100 likes, 98 plus me, 6 dislikes. ADAX, we made a video on ADAX. This was at the end of August as well, and people really love this video. Look at the likes. People really love this video. So as you can see, we've definitely learned from our mistakes of making a bad video on the first Mina protocol video, and now we've just been making great videos, like great content. Our Radium video, incredible. People love this video as well. 162 likes, 9 dislikes. People love that video. You can't deny it. You can't deny it. We've got the Star Atlas video as well that people really seem to love. 12 dislike, 178 likes. People really love that video. No doubt about it. And why wouldn't you? Like, this video was incredible. I did my research. I did a price analysis, price prediction. You know, it's just been incredible content lately. It's been incredible content. You cannot deny that. This channel has just been doing incredibly content. And another thing is our logo. Obviously, I've updated the logo recently, and I've added a more like disruptive kind of look to the logo, which is good because the channel is called Altcoin Disrupt. You know, it's disruption in the financial system, and what's that? It's altcoin. Our Covalent video, I did not expect this video to do well. It did incredible. And the funny thing is, the videos that you always think are going to do the worst, they're the videos that do the best. That's the strange thing. That is the strangest thing about being a YouTuber or just making YouTube videos. The videos you think are going to do absolutely terrible, they always do the best. Now, like I said, we made a terrible video on Mina protocol earlier in the year around April, but because we learned from that mistake, we made an incredible video on Mina protocol. You know, this was incredible video on Mina protocol. Mina protocol was like, it was still in its IOU, so it wasn't fully released to the public. It was just like only people who bought the token in the ICO. So I made a prediction about it breaking $25, and this video did really well. People really liked that prediction, you know, so it's just great content. So you can clearly see a lot more people like this video, a lot less dislike. You can clearly see that compared to the first Mina protocol video. Also made a video on Vega protocol. I really enjoyed making this video because it was leading up to the ICO of the Vega protocol. So this was a really cool video to make. People really enjoyed this video as well, which I'm really happy about. So no doubt about it. No doubt about it. Yeah. So that's my point. Like we've made mistakes on this channel, but we've learned from them and we've just made incredible content. And the amazing thing is that we're going to continue to make amazing content. We're not going to slow down at all. One of my favorite videos is earlier. I made this video quite early on this channel. And it's the Ren protocol video. This video is fantastic because obviously if you know about Ren, you know Ren is a fantastic cryptocurrency. You know that for sure. It's a fantastic cryptocurrency, no doubt about it. It's very promising, so I really enjoyed making this video. And it did really well because I made this video in my second month of making videos on this YouTube channel. Second month, you know, so this was a big deal. So what can I say? The live stream is around 6 minutes long, I think, by now. Let me just share something quickly with you guys. I do have a second channel. I've got a second channel, and it's an incredible channel because it's about finance. It's about stocks and shares. It's called Monument, and I make really like clean cut videos, and I put a lot of time and effort into making these videos. So instead of talking about crypto, it talks about stocks and shares, and it talks about companies like Tesla, Rivian, Polestar. Polestar is going public soon. They've got a $20 billion evaluation. So it's fantastic. So this is a fantastic second channel, and this is our channel. This is a part of our family of channels. So I'm going to be growing both of these channels big time. Just like I've grown the Altcoin channel, I will be growing the stocks and shares channel. And it's also a technology channel. It's a technology channel because it talks about tech at the end of the day. And everyone loves tech and everyone loves finance. So you can go check out my second channel and leave a like, check out the videos, subscribe for sure. I need as much subscribers as possible. Tony Barrack says he subscribed. You subscribed to my second channel? Thank you. Bro, that means a lot. That actually means a lot because I put a lot of work into that channel, and it's like, the funny thing is that it hasn't got a lot of videos. It's got like 29 videos, but I'm always working on new ideas, and I've got so many ideas for the second channel and big ideas for the main channel, the Altcoin channel. Got big ideas. So if anyone has any questions, I don't know if Tony, if you have any questions, let me know so we can answer them, because I've made a lot of videos recently, and I know people have questions about the videos that I've made recently because everything is in a new direction. Also, big news, bro, Coinbase is launching an NFT site. This is huge news, bro. I'm so excited about Coinbase launching an NFT site. I can't describe it. For one, I'm an artist. I do create art. I create 3D art and I create 2D art as well. So I'm going to be releasing NFTs quite soon. Hopefully I can release NFTs before the end of the year. I would love to share my artwork with you guys. And that will be shared quite soon. So don't you worry about that. Yeah, so Tony just saying, we'll watch the video soon. Love tech and innovations. We got to invest in the crazy ideas before they become mainstream. Yes, exactly. We have to invest in the crazy ideas before they become mainstream. Exactly. Because if you can get in early, it gives you a huge advantage. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice. It's annoying that I have to say that, but Polestar is one of the most promising electric companies. It's owned by Geely and Volvo, right? And it's going through a SPAC merger with Gores Guggenheim, and Gores Guggenheim is already on the stock market. And it's really exciting that the evaluation of this company is only 20 billion. That's incredible. By the way, Rivian, who's only just started delivering vehicles, their IPO is 80 billion. 80 billion, it's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's kind of like when Coinbase went through their evaluation, and Coinbase was evaluated above $100 billion. And guess what? They lost a lot of money because people sold. Like early investors, they sold their shares because they wanted to get out as soon as possible. And that's normal, that's natural, it happens. But my point is, Polestar evaluation is a lot less. They're being a lot more, they're being Volvo. That's what Volvo would do. That is what Volvo would do. Volvo thinks very long term. They create amazing vehicles. Volvo's used to have the safest vehicles in the world until Tesla. So now that Volvo is going electric with their main brand and with Polestar, Polestar is one of the best companies right now to invest in. I swear. And it's not even on the stock market yet, but Gurs Guggenheim is. And Gurs Guggenheim is a SPAC of Polestar. So you guys get the point. You get the point. I'm not going to keep on rambling about this. Obviously, we touched on the point that Coinbase is launching an NFT site. Like I said, I will be releasing NFTs as well. These will be 3D NFT artwork and 2D artwork. So you guys got a lot to look forward to. And I studied art as well. It's what I went to college for. So it's time to put that to use. You know, I didn't just go to college for no reason, you know. Okay, so Tony's just saying, would love to hear your take on BitDAO. I will check that out right now. And if you can make a video tutorial on the best methods to get alerted before coins get listed, I will show you that right now. One of my best ways to get alerted, well, not alerted, but to stay alerted. I don't get alerted, but I can stay alerted, is to use the ICO calendar on CoinMarketCap. And it tells you all the upcoming ICOs, or the popular ones, or the ones that most people will know about. This is a great way, such as Gods Unchained. We've made a video on Gods Unchained, and there it is, our Gods Unchained video. So I stay up to date using the ICO calendar, and this is a great way. This is one of the best ways to stay updated. There are over 488 ICOs that are upcoming, and they're all available to be viewed on CoinMarketCap calendar. So that's exciting. Look at this, another coin called Monewar. That will go for an ICO as well. There it is, 4 days away. So, you know, and you can obviously like go straight to the website to check it out. So, ooh, and it's a crypto game. This is great. I love making crypto game videos, mostly because they're always popular. All of my crypto game videos are always doing well. So I love making crypto game videos. Now, additionally, another way I get alerted about new coins, ICO, they're listing, is by subscribing to CoinList. I use CoinList to do my research about many coins. So CoinList is a great way to stay updated about like coins that are coming to the market. And they also add coins like Flow is now available to be staked and traded on CoinList. They have a blog as well that I recommend keeping update. And they send you notifications to your email when there are new coins that are coming out for ICO. Not every coin in the world, but coins that will be ICO'd on CoinList. Because you can buy into CoinList ICOs. So that's really amazing. This is really great product to use to get notifications. So the next thing you asked me to check out was BitDAO. So let's check this out. Let's check this out because I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but let's just get an understanding of the price. So what we've got here is 17th of August. All-time lows, you're looking at $1.23. So that's quite interesting. So what is this? So it's a decentralized autonomous organization that wants to level the playing field for every person in the world by building a decentralized token economy. This protocol is one of the world's newest and largest decentralized autonomous organization focused on DeFi and is managed by holders of BIT tokens. Interesting. So one of the initiative's primary aims is to attract developers, talent via token swaps and code development efforts. So the token swaps will enable BitDAO treasury to accumulate and collect top crypto project tokens. So this is quite interesting, actually. It is quite interesting. Now, let's open the website. So this is because I've never actually heard about this. Let's go to the Twitter page. I like to get a full understanding of how the project is doing, how long the project has been around, and if they're active on Twitter, if they're active within their community. So they're semi-active. They're kind of active. Yeah, they're kind of active. I'll give them credit. They're not extremely active, but they're kind of active. By the way, we are on Twitter as well. So if you guys want to go to our Twitter page, you can follow us on Twitter as well. Okay, that's something to note. We are also on Instagram, same name, Altcoin Disrupt, and sometimes we create these awesome graphics. Well, I create these awesome graphics and upload them because I really like to do things like this. But the problem is it's really time consuming, and I don't always get to create things like this. But it's really awesome when I do, and I post them and people like them. Now let's get back to BitDAO. Let's see if we can learn a bit more about it, right? So the vision is to open finance and a decentralized tokenized economy. So BitDAO hopes to support a broad range of projects, including DeFi, decentralized autonomous organization. That's what I mean when I say DAO. I just say DAO, even though I know what it means. Decentralized autonomous organization. Yeah, it's all in the wording. Includes NFTs and gaming. Support will be in form of research and development, liquidity, bootstrapping, and funding. Interesting. So what are the founders of BitDAO? Well, it has no founders. Apparently, the project is maintained by a group of contributors holding BIT tokens. The protocol has no teams or companies behind it. It is a decentralized autonomous organization. Good. Meaning that various individuals can propose changes to make the protocol, and it's up to the bit holders, contributors, to vote on whether they want to accept or reject any proposals. Basically, sounds good to me. Let me get back to my comments. So Tony Barrack was just saying, I'm only 3 weeks into this world, but doing great. Thanks for the sources. You're most welcome. No problem. BitDAO launched on Bybit recently and is boomed around 30%, looking good now. Allocating profit shares to the decentralized autonomous organization. Good. Another question that I have on my mind is, how much are the tokens? Well, damn, 10 billion. 10 billion tokens in max supply and total supply. Circulating supply is extremely low. Well, not extremely low, not Bitcoin low, but it's Ethereum low. 231 million in circulating supply. So that does give us a good representation of why it's doing so well, why it's already above $1. Like this coin is brand new on the market and it's already above $1. In fact, it looked like it got close to $2, or even, yeah, it got super close to $2 at $1.89. Incredible. I like that. But what I think the greatest thing about this project is the fact that it's a decentralized autonomous organization. That means anyone and everyone can get involved and make proposals. You know, so it's not an organization that can be easily controlled by one entity or a group of individuals. It's anyone. It's anyone who's up to play. So DeFi technology allows unstoppable and permissionless financial transactions on a blockchain, including trading, lending, and creation of synthetic assets. With no sign-up process, no middleman approval, no middleman execution, DeFi will fundamentally disrupt traditional finance and is likely to become a $1 trillion sector. To be honest, that doesn't really surprise me, because DeFi is already a $1 billion industry. I don't know if that's the right word to use, industry, but whatever. My point is, the growth of DeFi is incredible. If you actually look at the growth of DeFi, you might actually be mind blown. Let's go away from this. We're not talking about that at the moment. But the growth, the growth of this thing is actually incredible. So taking everything into consideration, you slowly realize that DeFi is just like, it's become this unstoppable force, absolutely unstoppable force. Its growth has just been like an absolute moneymaker. It's gone from like hundreds of thousands in the DeFi market to millions and then to billions. I think that tells us alone that it's on its way. Now, in terms of governance for this decentralized autonomous organization, well, it's decentralized. I think that's the simplest way to explain it. It's anyone who want to get involved. But yeah, DeFi is certainly like, it's unstoppable. It's unstoppable at this point. Tony agrees with me, most definite, because it's quite obvious, especially in the incredible growth, the crazy growth that it's actually had. It's literally that. It's crazy. So I think this is it's definitely interesting as a cryptocurrency. I'm not so sure about like investments, like what it could look like in 5 years, 10 years in terms of investments. And you have to consider that the price is really high now. Well, not really high, but the price is looking good right now. But that's mostly because the circulating supply is low compared to the max supply. You have to remember that and consider that in whatever you're doing. So that's quite interesting. I might do a full video on that. Maybe not. We'll see. Let's go on the trending list. Lightning is trending. Sim tokens is trending. Half pizza is trending. Don't let me think about pizza right now because I'm gonna want a pizza. Proton is trending. It's good. Keep Network is trending. New Cipher is trending. Now I could make another video on New Cipher. I think it's about time. I think it's been a while since I've made a video on New Cipher, so you never know. You never know. Could make a video on New Cipher. Certainly would be interesting. What else is trending? Phantom is trending. One of my favorite cryptos for damn sure. You got to think like Phantom, Solana, and Avalanche, some of my favorite cryptos, simply because of what they're doing. You have to realize that any crypto right now that's in the blockchain and decentralized apps development space is doing extremely well. Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Cardano, they're doing extremely well because they have a platform where people can develop apps. Their platform is where people are going to come to. It's going to make their tokens even more useful. So these platforms have been doing extremely well, which means that it's a trend, which means that blockchain platforms in general, not just blockchain in general, but blockchain platforms that can create DeFi apps, dApps platforms are the new thing. Whenever I'm thinking about investing, I'm thinking, is it a dApp platform? And this is real. You've seen the growth of Solana. When I made my first video on Solana, it was at £10 per coin. Now it's achieved over $212 per coin. And it's a dApp platform. Ethereum, same thing. Like I remember buying 5 Ethereum for $100 each. Yeah, either $100 or £100 each. 5 Ethereum. Crazy. But this is obviously like, this was last year when the prices were really low. Like we're thinking about March, probably around March. But again, it's another dApp platform. So dApp platforms, they're going to do even better in the future. Just think 5 years from now, 10 years from now. Avalanche, Phantom, Cardano, Solano, Ethereum, they will be doing even bigger and better things. And Phantom is one that's got me really excited. Avalanche has me really excited. There's no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. So we got great things to look forward to from that platforms. Now, another platform that we've got great things to look forward to, and let me know if you guys want me to talk about Shiba or Dogecoin. I don't know if you guys are gonna want me to talk about that, but what I do want to talk about is Axie Infinity. For one, I play video games. I love to play video games. For two, I should have started playing Axie Infinity a lot sooner, because I can't right now because it's super expensive. Like, Axies just cost way too damn much. They cost a lot, and you need 3 Axies to start playing. Now, I have heard rumors that you can actually still play this game or still participate in this game by sort of like teaming up with other people to play this game if you can't afford to play it full. But wow, Axie Infinity is just going to keep on growing. It's just going to keep on getting bigger and bigger. It's not going to slow down. And I think one of the reasons why that is because the token supply, circulating supply is only around 60 million coins in circulating supply. It's low. That's really low. And even max and total supply is low as well, 270 million. This gives the tokens extreme amount of value. What the hell did I just say? Now, like I said, I should have started playing this game a lot earlier. When I say early, I mean like last year, October. Last year, October, I think was the golden opportunity to play this game because Axies were extremely cheap. You're talking like $15, $20, $25. Axies were extremely cheap. And now Axies will cost you $500. Much more, actually, that I think about it. Much more than $500. Axies probably cost you $1,000 easily. Well, some of them definitely do, but like the cheapest Axies probably go for 700, 800. Who knows? It's been a while since I've checked the price of Axies because I just know I'm not going to play this game. You know, I'm focused on other things. I'm focused on building this channel. I'm focused on building the second channel. And I'm focused on new crypto games, such as like Star Atlas. You know, there's always going to be new crypto games. But any crypto game that's going to take the same approach or similar approach to what Axie Infinity has, I'm 100% going to be interested in those things. Okay, so these are some of the price of recently listed Axies. Look at that. So it looks like, by the looks of it, it looks like Axie prices are probably going down. I'm not lying. Because Axies that are just sold a minute ago is like $152. When did Axies become this cheap? I'm serious. When did Axie Infinity games when did they become this cheap? We're looking at around $198. We're looking at affordable Axies. When the hell did it become this cheap? Because I haven't visited the market for a long time. Holy crap, $114 for this Axie, $129. They're really cheap right now. But obviously, different Axies have different values. They got different values. So you have to keep that in mind, that different Axies have different values. And you need 3 Axies to start playing this game. So yeah. And I can't remember what token this game is played on, but please don't tell me it's Ethereum. I should remember, but I can't remember which token it's played on. If it's the Axie token, great. But if it's the Ethereum, I am not getting involved because Ethereum is just ridiculous. It's just honestly ridiculous. But there you go, the cheapest Axies, they're starting at 114. And I think partly some of the reasons why the prices are going down is because less is selling. So when less is selling, people will bring the price down so they can sell these things, because people are actually selling these things. Like this one is 114. I think it is in I think it is in Ethereum. Look, it's 0.03. I think that is Ethereum. My goodness, I hope not, because Ethereum transaction fees are just ridiculous. But yes, someone is selling this Axie. Owner, this is the owner, and they have other Axies as well, which are quite interesting, but not all of Axies are up for sale. Quite interesting. Each Axie has a unique number and stuff like that. Let me go back to my comments because I'm focusing on Axie Infinity so much because it's got me seriously excited. So let's go back to the comments. Shiba, why not? It started as a meme coin. Now they're adding features, swap and burn in, staking. You can stake using Shiba. Okay, that makes a lot more sense why people are going crazy about Shiba. It makes a lot more sense if you can stake Shiba because Shiba has an incredibly large supply of coins. Ridiculous. It's like, it's a complete opposite to Bitcoin. So if you can stake Shiba by having a lot of Shiba and getting a lot of Shiba in return, then that's why the price is going up, because people are buying it specifically because they wanted to stake it. Yes, that makes a lot more sense. And I actually thought about buying Shiba the other day. Like, I thought about like buying £10 worth. It would get me probably like 100,000 Shiba. Now, if I can stake it, I probably will do it just because I can stake it. And it's £10. Like, I can afford to lose £10. Whenever I'm thinking about investing, I always think, can I afford to lose £10? So let me finish reading Tony's questions. So if it managed to remove a few zeros would be great for holders. When you say zeros, do you mean like max supply? Because yes, if they lowered their supply, yes, that would be incredible. That's exactly what we want. JW80 says, what's good? What's good? Everything is good right now. I think everything is good. We're on 6,000 subscribers on this channel. Oh yeah, we're good. We are good. So Tony says they call it burrowing, not staking. Burrow in. I think I said that right. Burrow in. Okay. Okay. But yeah, Shiba was like, and I remember when Shiba got launched as well. Like, I made a video on Shiba when it got launched, and I don't think that video did particularly well. But I don't really talk about Shiba and a lot of popular cryptos, mostly because everyone is talking about them. Everyone is talking about popular cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba, Dogecoin. I don't really do that. I tend to talk about the unpopular cryptos, the ones that other people are not really talking about, because it gets me more views. That's for one. But also, everyone knows about the popular crypto already. What am I going to tell you that you probably didn't hear somewhere else? But I talk about the cryptos that I like, and I can always tell you guys things that you're not going to hear anywhere else. And that's the great thing about this damn channel. Let me get back to my comments, bro. Can you cover MTV? MTV. I've got no idea what that is. Or maybe I do and I just don't make the connection. You won't make life-changing gains in popular crypto. Exactly. I think you hit the nail. You hit the head of the nail right there, my friend. Definitely. Because it's not that you can't make money with popular cryptos. Of course you can. I would easily invest in Bitcoin if I had the money. But MTV multivac. Okay, let me check this out. I would easily invest in Bitcoin if the money was there. But so it's not on CoinList. It's not on CoinList. But I'm gonna Google search it and check it out for sure. Let's get back to Shiba for a moment. Yeah, investing in popular cryptos, if you have the money, then yes, do it. But not everyone has the money to invest in those popular cryptos. You know, so I find that if you talk about cryptos that I talk about, unpopular cryptos, I talk about cryptos that people have never even heard about before. And that's really good because I'm teaching myself. and I'm also teaching other people about these things. It's gonna be big. That's all I gonna say. Really, MTV. Well, I'm gonna check it out right now. 4x cheaper fees than Harmony One, and better tech. Really? All right, let me check this thing out. True, the popular ones are where you store your money. Exactly. Like, if I was a millionaire, would I put my money in Bitcoin? Absolutely. Because if I get arrested, you can't seize my Bitcoin unless you have my wallet. You can't take my money. You can't take my Bitcoin unless you have my wallet. You can keep an eye on my wallet for when I move my money, but I could be arrested and be a millionaire and you can't stop me, right? But if you put your money into the bank and you get arrested, well, the government are going to take your money. The police are going to seize it. Your accounts are going to be frozen. Everything. You're screwed. You're screwed. So yes, if I was rich, I'd put my money into popular coins. But I have to think like a small investor. I'm a micro investor. That's what I like to say. I'm a micro investor. You know, and a micro investor is people who invest less than 10 grand. Less than 10,000. If you're investing less than 10,000, you are a micro investor. But if you put 10 grand into Bitcoin back in 2009, well, you'd be a billionaire or a millionaire. And technically you would have been a micro investor, but not anymore. So it will change. Your investments will change your status. But for now, I'm still a micro investor. So I have to think like a micro investor. So I'm Googling it on my phone right now. Oh, is it called? Okay, so I think it's called just multivac. Just multivac. Yeah, there we go. MTV. Yeah, multivac. Okay. So what is this thing? I'm gonna read up about it because I'm curious to find out what it is. Token supply 3.5. Circulating supply. Total supply 8 billion. Interesting. Really interesting. Tony says store profit also from new coins. There's definitely new coins that are good for storing profit as well. There's also stable coins that are really good for storing profit. Don't forget about stable coins that are decentralized. You know, those are some of my favorite, because in a way, if you want to be extra careful, you can put some of your money into stable coins to keep it secure, decentralized stable coins. But you can keep another percentage of your money in Bitcoin, you can keep it safe because it's like digital gold, but it's also an investment. So you're getting best of both worlds. So JW80 says, I'm surprised you don't know about it. It's on KuCoin and bought by the CEO of KuCoin 2. Smart contracts release on MTV next month, plus 3 out of 3.6 billion are stake. 3 out of 3.6 billion are stake. Hold on a minute. So you're telling me this circulating supply, out of the entire circulating supply, 3 billion is staked. You see, this is why it's good to make live streaming videos, because you're teaching me things that I didn't know about. And the amazing thing is that I can make a full video on this coin. I can do that. I'll have to find the time, but I can do that. And that's really good. So I'm gonna keep this on my radar. Let's save this in my altcoin folder. Let's save that in my altcoin folder. And I was also checking out another coin, BitDAO. Let's go back to BitDAO as well and save that in my altcoin folder so I can make videos about, why did I type Bitcoin? So easy to type sometimes. So I can make videos on these specific projects for you guys. You know, I'll try to find the time to make these videos. Research and make a video on it. I will. I definitely will. Speaking of research, let me read up a little bit about this. So Multivac is the innovative sharding killer and pioneering flexible computing framework. As a high throughput and flexible public blockchain platform, Multivac processes all dimensional sharding solutions to increase TPS. Oh, by the way, what's the TPS on Multivac? I'd be really interested to find out. What's the TPS? Is it, can it compete with like, can it compete with like Avalanche? Can it compete with Phantom, or can it compete with incredibly Solana? You know, I'm curious to find out what that is. And Multivac is the first one to propose a flexible computing framework so the developers can trade off freely between the blockchain trilemma on this framework. And we've all know what the blockchain trilemma is. It's basically cryptos that are like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is extremely secure, but it's not very scalable. It's extremely decentralized, but it's not very scalable. There's always a downside to some cryptocurrency, which is what creates a blockchain trilemma. Now, you've got, on the other hand, Solana. Solana tries their best to avoid the blockchain trilemma because they are extremely secure, decentralized, and uniquely, they are also extremely scalable. So they try to avoid the blockchain trilemma. Really good, because that will solve a lot of problem a lot sooner. You look at Bitcoin, if we could scale Bitcoin better, which means that Bitcoin could be a much faster blockchain. Can you imagine the price of Bitcoin right now if it was a faster blockchain? Okay. Imagine the price of Ethereum if it had cheaper network fees. These are the problems that Ethereum and Bitcoin face. They are scalability problems, you know. So that's a blockchain trilemma. Now let me get back to my comment. Harmony One was 2 cents when their smart contracts released. It went to 22 cents. So they think that Multivac can do the same next month, really. So think about what Multivac can do. Oh, so think about what Multivac can do in the next month. I'm thinking Multivac right now is 0.017. You know what? Let me do a quick price analysis. Okay, so there's definitely been jumps in the price. I mean, there's definitely been jumps in the price. So this coin has been around since like last year, October. Wow. So it's basically like, this is basically like a 1 year anniversary for this Multivac coin. I definitely have to do a full video on this coin. Definitely. So this is quite interesting. So there's definitely some patterns, and I'll show you the patterns. These are the patterns right there. You see these highs and you see these lows. You take a look at those lows, they're around the same price point. You take a look at the recent highs, they're around the same price point. Those are what you call patterns, and I'm sure you guys know about that, but I just wanted to say, just so I can sound like I'm smart, but I'm kidding. Anyway, let's get back to it. So I'm noticing patterns. I'm noticing jumps in the market. I mean, this was since July. This one of the lowest points it has been, and this was back in July. And ever since July, it's just been on an upward trajectory. And since around August, there's just a lot of volume. Look at all of this volume right there. Look at the volume it had before, compared to what it has right now. It's incredible. It's really good. So 31K as now, but it can go unlimited. Wait. 31,000 TPS? I just have to check. 31,000 TPS. Well, I'm definitely making a video about Multivac. I don't know when, but I will try to make a video as soon as possible. The good news is that I'm off tonight. I'm off tomorrow as well. So we've got plenty of time to make plenty of YouTube videos. So I'll try my best. Harmony One has 4 shards and this has 64 shards. So they think how high the TPS can go. Holy crap. The Lightning Network is helping with their Bitcoin speeds. Yes, I've actually heard that. Because the Lightning Network was like rumored for a very long time. You know, so it was always in rumor. It's always in development, as far as I'm aware, I think Lightning is still in development, but when it does get released, and that's the thing, like it's been in development for way too long, and that's just how difficult it is to develop and build and scale Bitcoin, unfortunately. 31,000 TPS, yeah, holy crap, that's crazy. So that's like Solana level. So this thing can compete with Solana. Is That's what you're basically telling me. It could probably even do better than Solana, because Solana's goes up to like 50K, I think. Now the Lightning Network gives me a lot of ideas, to be honest, because I think when the Lightning Network becomes public, when it actually works, when it's actually ready, I think we're looking at 100K Bitcoin easily, easily, quite easily. I'm just being honest. I'm not trying to hype this up too much. Let me close these pages because they are taking up way too much of my computing power. Close these pages. Yeah, I think it's going to be a big thing for Bitcoin. Wow, look at that. Bitcoin is doing so amazing right now. Once again, where's it, like 62 grand, or recently I think it was at 62 grand, wasn't it? Holy crap. Holy crap. Yeah, over 62 grand. Holy crap. So basically Bitcoin is now hovering around its all-time high. Its all-time high was at 63,000, right? And it's back to that stage. It's back there once again. You know what this means? We're in new price discovery areas. So this also means that I'm going to be making Bitcoin videos really soon, because I've got to give my own take on it. I've got to give my own opinion on it, for damn sure. Mark Cuban prefers buying Bitcoin directly, not interested in Bitcoin ETF. Crossing the $60,000 milestone, what move will Bitcoin make in the near term? The interesting thing about Bitcoin passing $60,000 US once again is because we are going into Christmas. We're honestly going into Christmas, and the crypto market usually takes a big dip around Christmas, except for 2017. 2017, it was just a juggernaut. It take a small dip, but early 2018, it was just killing it. Right, where was I? Yeah, so we're basically in new price discovery area. It's definitely going to break its all-time high quite soon, and we're going to be in new price discovery area. So that's good, which means that I can make videos on Bitcoin. Once again, big up for sure. Damn, that's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, if the market takes a big dip this year before Christmas, then I don't know. I don't know what it's gonna be for Bitcoin. Look at that, 61 grand right now. I don't know what we're gonna be for Bitcoin. But then again, the market could do the complete opposite, just like it's done with Bitcoin right now. Is recently back in July, Bitcoin was 29 grand. 29 grand, and since then, you've had September 41 grand and around 40 grand. But the incredible thing is that you'll probably never see Bitcoin being 10 grand, 5 grand ever again, because it's not just Tesla who's invested in Bitcoin now. SpaceX is invested in Bitcoin. Elon Musk has personal holdings in Bitcoin. Not just that, but there's a lot of other companies, big companies out there who've bought Bitcoin and invested in Bitcoin. So I'm sad to say, but 5 grand Bitcoin, 10 grand Bitcoin, even a 25 grand Bitcoin is, it would take a big crash in the market to see 25 grand in Bitcoin again. A big crash, a huge crash. And the circulating supply is 90% of the max supply. Madness. Let me get back to my comments. So I've talked to the team of Multivac in their Discord. Okay, so they've got a Discord, that's good. So they're active. This is the best blockchain there is and will be top 50 coin within the next few years. It's definitely not out of the question. To be in the top to be in the top 50 coins in the world is definitely not out of the question with such a fast TPS. Quite impressive. It's definitely not out of question, because you look at Avalanche. I said the top 20 cryptocurrency right now in the world, and no one saw that one coming. No one saw that one coming. Because I remember times when this token was literally $2.90. You know, there was some crazy moments. It's going for plenty of volumes right now. It's got plenty of volume, no doubt about it. But let's not forget that, you know, earlier this year, July times, it was around $10, $9, $10. What an incredible price to buy. So if this thing ever it's $10 again, yeah. I don't think I have to say much more. I don't think I have to say much more. So my point is, for blockchain, for decentralized apps and for fast blockchains, being in the top 50 coins in the world, it's not out of the question. But I think first we got to focus on the top 100 coins. Top 50 coins are quite competitive. You know, it's quite competitive, not gonna lie. You're looking at market caps around 4 billion. Wow, excuse me, I just had to yawn really quick. Yeah, you're looking at market caps, you're looking at some big market caps, but that's definitely possible. We've seen the impossible. I mean, look at Shiba. It's 20th in the world, and Shiba is so new to the crypto market. It's incredibly new. I think Shiba was created because Dogecoin was becoming so popular, you know, so more meme coins, meme tokens are being created. And honestly, I haven't got any problem with that. If anything, it excites me even more. Keeps me excited. Harmony One should be top 50. Yeah, actually, you've been mentioning Harmony, so let's take a look at Harmony, because I think it's been a while since I've taken a look at Harmony. I did make a video like last month, I think. Yeah, I think I made a video last month on Harmony. Yeah, and I think that was a price analysis as well. As a price analysis as well. Sushi Swap farms and Sushi Rewards starts at 9 a.m. PDT. That's quite interesting. We've started an NFT campaign with Harmony Protocol. Okay, there's some news around Harmony and Terra. We're excited to announce a full stack partnership with Terra, working together to grow both the Harmony and Terra DeFi ecosystem. That's damn good. Ecosystem is everything, isn't it? When it comes to crypto, everything. Ecosystem is everything. By the way, 23 cents right now, 10.6 billion in circulating supply, and 13.2 billion in max supply. That's pretty good. Let me go to the Solana website, because I wanna compare to Solana quite a lot, because what's really amazing about Solana is ecosystem. They have such a strong ecosystem. So whenever I'm looking for new cryptos that I think are great for the future, I'm looking at them like I would look at Solana. I'm thinking to myself, has it got a strong ecosystem? Will it have a strong ecosystem? Is it easy for developers to come to this platform and build? You know, that's always a big thing. By the way, over 423. Holy crap. By the way, this is a huge increase. It's a huge increase. I don't know if you guys understands fully when I say this is a huge increase, but let's go to the crypto channel and let's go back to some of our Solana videos that we made quite recently, and I'll explain to you just how big of a deal that is, because I specifically remember when this number was around 300, in the 300 area, and this is only a couple of months only a couple months later. It's not that long ago. It really isn't that long ago. So let's go back to one of my Solana videos, and we'll take a look at that, because I found it fascinating as hell that Solana has done this incredible. Now I always looking at the Solana website. This was like price analysis that I was doing. I remember making these videos. I was correct all the time when doing my price analysis videos on Solana. All the time. And that's because I realized that it has such a strong ecosystem. It's such a great investment. Not financial advice, by the way, but it's such a damn great investment, Solana. You can't deny it. You can't deny this. But what I want to show you guys is the website of Solana, where it was basically talking about the apps or dApps that have been built on the Solana ecosystem, and it was just explaining that it was like around 300. Well, 380, 360, somewhere around that number. But it was not, and I'm sure it was not what it is right now. Over 423 different dApps. Imagine when they get to 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000 dApps on their platform. Ecosystem. You want to know why Apple is such a strong and great company? Is because they have an incredible ecosystem. Okay, here we go. I've got evidence. I've got proof. August the 31st, I made this video on Solana. Well, I uploaded this video on Solana. These are all the dApps that were on the platform. All the apps that were built on the platform. 302. 302 in total and all. By the way, this is the end of August. Now we're looking at over 423. That's in the space of a couple of months. September, October. We're halfway through October. That's a month and a half. A month and a half, and they've increased their ecosystem by over 25%. Holy crap. Holy crap. Right? Am I the only one seeing this? Or is this just incredible? It's absolutely incredible. And there's various different apps in their ecosystem. Great protocol, part of the community. Creepy Girl NFTs community. They've got they've got oracles, over 120 NFTs. And obviously NFTs are probably one of the main reasons why their apps development have been being driven so well, is because like NFTs are becoming unstoppable. Solana is better than Cardano. So 100 plus in 2 months. Yes, basically over 100 in 2 months, less than 2 months. That's insane. Yes, it's effing insane. It's effing insane. It's actually insane. Like seriously, it's actually insane. Like not even joking. It's actually insane. Seriously. Let me go to Avalanche website, because I compare Avalanche and Solana quite a lot, non-stop. I'm always comparing these two. I really like how the website is always designed. They've always got such a simplistic damn design. Now this is their ecosystem. Different ecosystem, different apps. It's really different, but both ecosystems are constantly growing. Both ecosystems are constantly growing. And I believe this is one of the reasons why Solana is good. Avalanche is going to become such a big deal in the future. Avalanche is basically the next Solana. It's not as fast as Solana. I'll admit, it's nowhere as fast as Solana. Solana could take Ethereum spot. Yes, I definitely believe that. I more than believe that Solana could take Ethereum spot. Because it's crazy to think about that. Wait, like Solana could take Ethereum spot. Now the token supplies are different. Solana looks like they have a lot more token in circulating supply and max supply and total supply, but Ethereum technically I don't remember there ever being a supply limit on Ethereum. I think because it's a bit more centralized, there can always be um, there can always be some more Solana that are added. Sorry, not Solana. There can always be some more Ethereum that are added to the Ethereum circulating supply. You know, there, as far as max supply right now, there isn't a number for Ethereum. There can always be new tokens that are being added to the circulating supply. So the only difference is in my opinion is price and supply difference. But market cap wise, 48 billion, 48 billion, and on Ethereum, obviously much bigger platform, 448 billion. So basically Ethereum has over 400 billion extra dollars in market cap wise. Yeah, of course. Of course. But can Solana compete? Fuck yeah. I just swear. I just swore. Now this channel probably get demonetized. This video probably get demonetized. Who cares? Big deal. Because you got to remember, like, Solana is a lot faster than Ethereum. It's easily scalable. It's much more scalable. And as you can see, they're adding apps and dapps like like they're Usain Bolt. Honestly, non-stop. So this is what I like about cryptocurrencies such as like Avalanche and Solana, is that they got a huge ecosystem and they're constantly building upon this ecosystem. And the more they build upon this ecosystem is the more it will drive up the price of their cryptocurrency. So we've got that to look forward to. You know, I think Avalanche is definitely a token that I'm definitely interested in like as an investor, you know, as a micro investor. I'm definitely interested in Avalanche. Let me go back to my comments. What am I missing? Ethereum will never have cheap fees. Damn. It's a sad reality when you think about Ethereum fees. By the way, I was on Twitter the other day, and I think there was this person who's on who basically, like, they shared a screenshot of their Ethereum minting. They wanted to mint an NFT. By the way, I love NFTs. This is like all I follow is like NFT content for the Twitter account that we have. By the way, you should follow us on Twitter because big news. Oh, look at that. Tony just follows us on Twitter. I think this is our Tony from the comments. I hope so. I hope so. You know what? The more Tonys, the better. As you can see, I just love NFTs. And this is what I'm working on in my spare time. I'm working on 3D NFTs. I'm working on 2D NFTs. But I'm trying to find this screenshot so I can show you guys. There's this ridiculous NFT minting that was happening on the here we go on the NFT network. So Vinny Lingham, you guys probably heard of him. Quite popular in the crypto space, in the NFT space. He tried to mint an NFT, a new drop. As he said, just tried to mint an NFT on a new drop, and this was the fee. The fee was lightly in 15 seconds by the way, 3.4 Ethereum. 3.4 Ethereum. The gas fee, 12 grand. $12,000 to mint an NFT. Tony is saying, yes, that was him. Awesome. Thank you for the follow, Tony, on Twitter. We're on Instagram as well, everyone. Big. Like, that's a sad reality when you think of Ethereum. Will it ever have cheap fees? Because the main reason I haven't released tokens, I haven't released NFTs yet, is mostly because of this insane fees on Ethereum. And I think there's other ways you can use other cryptos to release your NFTs, but again, It's like Ethereum is just the best and simple. It's the reason why people use it despite it being ridiculously expensive. Ridiculously expensive. Bruh, can you believe that? Can you actually believe? I couldn't believe it. I could not believe that crap. For real. For real. But as you can see, yeah, the majority of stuff that we talk about on this Twitter page is a lot of NFT related stuff because I love art. But Coinbase coming out with their own NFT site, I'm really extremely excited about this because I have a Coinbase account. It's going to be easy to sell my NFTs on Coinbase. And I hope I don't have to use Ethereum. I hope I can just use like a different NFT token to mint my NFTs and sell my NFTs. Hopefully I don't have to use Ethereum because I don't want to. And I think maybe less people will start using Ethereum to mint NFTs and for transfers because the fees are insane. What the hell? So it will be cheaper but still expensive. Yeah, and that's a problem. It can be cheaper because sometimes the gas fees do fall. I have this website that I was viewing the other day where it shows Ethereum gas fees, how they fluctuate from time to time. So they do rise, they do fall, they perform differently, but it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. So I'm really excited about this. What's really got me excited about this is that it's coming this year. It's coming this year, and I've joined the waiting list for the early access. I have a Coinbase account. I'm extremely excited about this, and I hope you guys are excited too, because I'm gonna be dropping NFTs. Yeah, it's a big thing. So get back to my comment. I don't use Twitter, but I think I should get one soon. Twitter is cool. I didn't really use Twitter much until I got the YouTube channel, but now it's really good to use Twitter for the YouTube channel because I can connect to people. By the way, what do you guys think about the new logo? I think it's a really cool effect. I think it's a really dope effect, you know. I really enjoyed making this. Really creative, really different. By the way, let me just say, for this channel, yeah, let's just take a moment to remember what we were talking about on Solana. Just incredible how Solana is done. But for this channel and for my second channel, one day I will show my face. One day we will make videos and I will show my face. So don't worry about that. We are working on that. And I'm gonna have a setup quite similar to this, paint the background of my wall, and I'm gonna have a simple, clean setup where I can make videos showing my face. But right now, what we're focused on this channel is building a community of followers, and building a community of followers on the second channel as well. It's a big deal. That's what we're focused on right now, and eventually we can make a lot more live stream videos. That's a definite. Tony said the logo is dope. JW said Togo looks nice. Thank you both. Glad you both like the logo. And also like the header on YouTube. I gave it this cool effect. Add some purple in there because I like purple. But yeah, I think the channel is going in a great direction. Always almost 500,000 views. Almost 500,000 views. That's big. And this is my fastest growing YouTube channel ever. I've had other YouTube channels. I definitely have, you know, and I've had YouTube channels that have grown to like 12K subscribers before, but I gave up on those YouTube channels because I didn't see a brilliant future. I seen an all right future, but I want a much better future for my channels and my hard work. I want my hard work to mean something. Do you have Discord? I do have Discord, but my problem is that I don't text. I don't message people, and people get offended because they're like, wait, why aren't you messaging me back? And I'm like, I'm such an introvert. I'm an introvert, you know, so that's and this is a problem for the channel. I have to apologize for this, because what I've noticed is that I haven't been engaging with the YouTube channel enough. I really haven't been engaging with the YouTube channel enough, and that's not good enough. I need to start engaging with the YouTube channel more. I have been engaging with the community page. I really like using the community page, because it was really amazing to me when I uploaded like new votes, and like over 500 people would respond to a vote, you know. And I'm starting to get more comments on these things. 18 comments. I created this graphics, and it's got like 18 comments, 20 likes. So I was really proud. I was really happy with making these things for the community page. So I do interact, but I'm not good at replying. That's the thing. I'm not good at replying. Like, you look at the comments and I'm not good at replying, which is not very good. I'll admit it's not very good. But we can actually go through some comments and reply now. Shiba made some profit and exited yesterday. This is a week ago. I really need to find a time to reply to comments. I also made this graphic right here, and it was just like going through the difference. Look at the difference in TPS. Avalanche. I really like Avalanche because it's got a great TPS, 4,500. Solano up to 50,000. Right? So I made graphics like that, and this was my first graphics I made. I didn't make the logo. I take no responsibility for the logo. These are not my logos. They're just free to use resources. But everything else, like just like the font and how I designed it, everything else done by me. I did not make this. This is by a really popular Instagram page. And I was like, wow, I need to post this. So I just posted it on my Instagram as well, and I gave them the credit because this is their work. This is not my work, so I can't take credit for it. So I'm just letting you guys know, can't take credit for that because it's not my work. But I gave them credit on Instagram for damn sure. Always do. And the polls that I do, they're always getting like comments as well. So yeah, the channel is definitely going in the right direction. Over 600 votes on this one. That was crazy. At the end of this year, we're looking at around between 8,000 subscribers and 10,000 subscribers. That's crazy. That is crazy. But it's definitely possible. We can do this, right? I know you guys are wondering probably like, okay, so have you got any other plans for the channel? Like I said, I will be showing my face. So the videos on this channel will become a lot more personal. You know, they will become a lot more personal for sure. And there's a lot of other crypto channels that I follow that I take inspiration from. You know, so like Hashoe, I take a lot of inspiration from this guy. If you look at my early thumbnails, it took a lot of inspiration from this guy with his thumbnails. But obviously you evolve. I created my own style, and eventually I started going with my own style, which is what you should do. You can take inspiration, never steal, but take inspiration, and eventually do your own thing. Go with your own style. Create something of your own. You know, that's what's really awesome. And now, like my thumbnails, they look different from anyone else on YouTube, which I really like. So this guy, he shows his face in his videos, and one day I will be doing the exact same thing for both my channels. I will also be creating merch. Because I'm going to be creating NFTs, I will create merch for the channel. T-shirts, hats, and other things. So we will create merch, probably on a Shopify store. So we will definitely have merch for this channel. And that's going to be exciting when we do get merch, because I know a lot of people like merch, and our logo as well. The logo is going to get better over time. The channel, everything about the channel will get better over time. So merch is definitely on the way. Better videos I'm always looking to create better videos, but I F up all the time. I'm not perfect. No one is. Even some of the best YouTubers make mistakes, like Marques Brownlee. I was watching one of his podcasts the other day, and he was talking about it, like whenever he makes mistakes in videos, people will see him in public or in conferences or like events, and they will immediately point out the mistake, and it's really annoying. So he's my favorite YouTuber, and when I think, okay, this guy makes mistakes in his videos, so why am I beating myself up for making mistakes? We all make mistakes, but ultimately it's to get better over time. So like I said, we will have a merch store eventually, and eventually we'll also have a full brand, like a full brand for both channels, not just merch, but a full brand where we're going to be taking, when I say a full brand, I mean, I'll give you guys an example. I will give you guys an example. We will have a full brand, our own store with our own products. This is someone who I take inspiration from. Their business is called ULX Store. I take a lot of inspiration from this guy channel. He has his channels, he's got his businesses. So we will have a full brand just like this. We will create different types of products. So this is a long way away. This is like years to come, 2-3 years down the line. Right now we're just building the brand, building the community. Eventually we'll start NFTs, and then we'll start merch, and then we can think about branding. But first we have to build a community and take care of like the subscribers, of course. So yes, I think before I went on to this like extremely long conversation with myself, I was talking about Discord. I'm not good at replying. So yes, I'm on Discord. By the way, I did create a Discord for this channel, and I did do a poll on this channel asking people, should I create a Discord? But I don't think I've been promoting the Discord enough. And I think it's time we promote this Discord. Holy crap, I created a Discord and I haven't been promoting it. Yeah, so when I say I'm not good at replying and I'm not good at communicating, that's what I mean. I created Discord for the channel, and my subscribers don't even know about it. Yeah. That's how terrible I am with communication sometimes. So don't take it personal, but I will start promoting the Discord. Let me get the Discord information, and I'll leave a link in the comments. I will put the Discord. So I've been spending a lot of time in crypto Discords. That's good. I haven't, because I don't like reading, which is really weird because I read for a living. Like my job is to read, literally. Like I read articles all the time to make videos. So my job is literally to read. And I don't read enough. And I don't really like reading. So like a month ago, 2 months ago, this is what like the channel was doing in terms of like votes. Like on average, maybe around a couple hundred votes. This was really like one-off, over 400. But my point is like the growth over around 200. Now, if I do this exact same poll right now, I guarantee you it'll be like 400, 500 votes easily. So the channel is growing, and it's growing fast, and it's good. So when I say I'm making like, by the way, this was us a couple months ago, 100 followers on Twitter. It was a big deal. It was a big deal. It was a big deal for us. I know you're probably wondering, how did we get to like 251 subs, followers actually. And I'll share you a little secret. I made a video on Bitcoin standard hash rate token. This was one of the best recent videos I made. I'm so happy I made this video. But what's really amazing is that I posted this video on Twitter. Or did I? either I posted it on Twitter or the account of Bitcoin hash rate, they posted the video. And that made the channel blow up till the point where a lot of people were calling me scammer. Well, they were either calling me a scammer or they were calling Bitcoin hash rate scammer. But Bitcoin hash rate post about our video, and that made the video a lot more popular. There we go. This is it. Bitcoin hash rate, they got 66,000 followers on Twitter, and they posted about our channel. This was a big thing. 189 likes, 46 retweets. This was a big deal for our channel. And obviously I replied thanking them. And then you got the typical like spam comments, spam comments. But this was a big deal. This is one of the reasons why the channel, the Twitter page has so much more followers, is because they posted about our videos. And this video did extremely well. And what can I say? I'm extremely happy. I get back to my comments right now. I don't want to stray away. So you should make one for the community. Yep. I'm going to re-download the app. I think I deleted the app since I made it. No, I haven't deleted the app. I got the app right here. Good. I'm going to post it right now. Okay, there we go. We've got our server. Yeah. Invite friends. I'm going to drop a link in the comment of this video so you guys can check this out right now. It's a big deal. Well, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Let me drop the comments right now. Check out our Discord. I'm dropping a comment. It's a big deal. Discord link. Wait, let me repost this thing. So I've added the comments. They should pop up anytime soon. You need to up your marketing game. My marketing game. When you say my marketing game, do you mean like the channel overall? Like when you say marketing, like digital marketing, or like just like replying? I think overall, yes, I think you're right. I do need to up my marketing game. Your next comment is a good one because it says, what's your job? Do you do crypto full time? No, I don't do crypto full time. One day I will. One day I will do crypto full time. But right now, I don't do crypto full time. Sadly, I don't. But I'm definitely going to try and do more live streams more often. So my job, I'm actually a professional driver. That's my job, and I work like 3 days a week. So 4 days a week, I have to make videos. Replying and reminding people about what's going on. Yeah, I think what you just said is basically perfect. It perfectly explains a lot. By the way, can you guys see the comment I left? Hold on. Let me try again. Yeah, I think, replying to people, talking to people, a more engageful community, I think that's definite, because if I want to create a brand with this YouTube channel, with both YouTube channels, I'm gonna have to do that. And that's a have to. It's not a choice. I have to do that. So I realize that it's something I have to do more of. So I've just left a comment now, so you guys should see that comment. If you guys can't see that comment, I'm gonna be pissed with myself. Okay, there we go. There is the comment. Our Discord server. By the way, let me update the Discord server photo. So the plan for the Discord server is for me to like post general things, anything that I think is important to the community, because I was posting some things on Instagram that I haven't posted on my community page. So the Discord will just be more engageful. Okay, it will be much more engageful. I'm going to show you guys what I mean when I say posting more like engageful information, so we can share information, what's going on in the crypto world in general. So I'm going to add some things to the Discord server right now as we speak, just to get you guys. It's basically for anything and everything crypto related. And we're including NFTs, because I love NFTs. And it would be a damn shame if I didn't. So Tony said you can put the link in the description. Why didn't I think about that? You can put the link in the description. You know what? I don't think I should. I should be running a crypto channel. Seriously though, who put me in charge? They were obviously like misinformed. I should not be in charge. You guys should be in charge. Seriously. So I'm putting it in the description right now. Join our Discord server, and I think this is probably the best one because I like Discord. I use it for other purposes as well, but I don't really use Reddit because, again, I don't really read. Sad to say, but it's just the truth. It's just the truth. Tony said it's on. Great. So it's in the thanks for reminding me to put it in the description. So it's in the description now. Post the invite link on your YouTube community page and your Twitter. Bro, why didn't you guys just take over this channel? Just take over this channel. I honestly, I don't think I'm allowed to be in charge anymore. You know what? You guys are my marketing team from now on. You guys are my marketing team from now on. Honestly, just take over the channel. I give you permission. You know? I don't know if I'm the only one who's laughing, but it's really funny that I haven't done these things, and it's you guys who have to tell me, bro, post it, bro. You're missing out. You need to promote your channel better. Like, you're doing a horrible job. You're doing a horrible job. Thank you guys for reminding me that I'm doing a horrible job. Holy crap. Seriously. JW says he can help if you want. Thank you for the offers. Seriously, I've actually thought about like getting a friend or my girlfriend to help out with my YouTube channel, because I get a lot of comments. I don't reply. I should, but I need someone to help me manage this channel. The amazing thing is that one day we're going to go full time with this channel, and hopefully that's going to be that at the end of next year. Estimate I will probably be able to go full time with this channel by the end of next year, which would be incredible because the videos are going to be a whole lot better. What I'm doing right now with the channel is really beginner level work. They're really beginner level work. It's going to get a whole lot better, especially when I get more time. So you guys got that to look forward to. By the way, let me just say this real quick. A moment ago, we were at 10 views, concurrent views. 10 concurrent views. Doesn't sound like a lot, but for a live stream, it's incredible, because I remember my first live stream, I probably had 1 view the entire time, or 1 like for the entire thing. 100K subs to go full time. I think I can go full time before 100K subs. Sounds crazy, but I think I can go full time. Simply because I have 2 channels. I also will have to, like, the thing about going full time is that you have to think, like, can it actually provide you enough money? But after tax, there's a lot of things to go through. Ideally, I would go full time at 100K. But I think next year I'm gonna have to work less. Like I'm a professional driver. I have to drive less and put more time into the YouTube channel, which means better videos for you guys. You're doing a great job. We'll catch up on Discord. Awesome. You need to add bots and channels on the Discord. Yeah. Thank you guys. You guys are my marketing team from now on. Whenever I need advice, I'm coming to you guys. I'm like, okay, we've got problems. You guys are like my superhero team, you know? Like I'm the Flash and you guys work in my lab and you guys are just helping me to keep everything running smooth. Exactly. F1 driver or a taxi driver? I'm a bus driver, bro. I'm a bus driver. But I wish if I was an F driver. No, I'm not Lewis Hamilton. Or am I? I don't think I can do a good Lewis Hamilton voice. I haven't got 7 world titles. That's a damn sure. Yeah, I'm a bus driver. And the reason why I call it a professional driver is because if I get into trouble and I go to court, then they're going to look at me and says, your license says you're a professional driver. Why did you F up on the road? So they classify you as professional driver when you drive lorries, buses, and taxis, actually. Taxi drivers are professional drivers as well. Well, some of them are really bad professional drivers. They're really terrible. Taxi drivers can be the worst. And I know because I drive the buses. And sometimes I just want to crush them. Seriously, they're the worst. But you also got those mopeds and those little scooters. Oh my goodness. Let's not get started. Try LBRY, Audacity also, tax-free, it's a crypto base. Wait, what are those? What is LBRY? Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to research it after this video. Thanks, though. I will check those out, Tony. Thanks. Give me the bus. I'll drift it with. Don't tell anyone, but I have actually drifted a bus. You guys probably think I'm joking. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I really want to become a full-time investor. You know what? That is also on my plan. Long-term is to become a full-time investor. And I'll explain to you why. Have you guys ever heard of ARK Invest? Or you guys must have heard of ARK Invest or Warren Buffett company, Berkshire Hathaway. They are investment companies, and what they do is they basically get people to give them money to invest, and they manage people asset, they manage people investment. Long term, I will have an investment company, and I think that's the best decision for me. It's a long story, but yes. Not investment advice, but becoming an investor, but managing other people's investment is the thing you should do. That's big scale. If you can study it, if you know what you're talking about, if you know how to make people money, then yes. Studying accounting and financing in uni. Damn, good for you. Accounting and financing I find really good because all investors need those basic knowledge. They need to understand mathematics, good understanding of mathematics, finance, tax as well, and accounting. So good for you. Good for you, seriously. And yeah, like right now I describe myself as a micro investor, but because of the businesses I'm creating, eventually I will see myself earning $5,000 a month, 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 50 grand a month. And that's when I can invest serious money, like 100 grand a year. I want to be the kind of person who invests 100 grand a year of my personal money. Sounds crazy, but you know, that's what it takes if you really want to make real money in this world. Thing is, most people won't trust people to manage their money or invest their money. That's true. But they will trust you if you build a relationship with them. They will trust you if you have a proven track record of making money. If you know how to make money and you can prove it to them, they will trust you. Trust me. Rich people do it all the time. Rich people invest in startup companies. Startup companies that they have they don't know the person personally. They invest because they think the business will make money. All you have to do is convince them that your investment firm can make them money. You have to prove that to them. And that's what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing right now is micro investment. And micro investment is when you invest less than 10,000, and that is specifically not to make money, but just to study the market and how it works. And I'm also studying it to create a formula, a strategy, so I can show them that, hold on, I've been studying this for the last decade. My formula works. My system works. If you give me hundreds of thousands to invest, it will work. I can make you money just so I've made myself money. But you have to prove that to yourself, and you have to prove that to them. And that's what it takes to convince people to give you their money. You have to prove to them that you can make them money. I'm investing 50% of my wages weekly since I'm living at home. Good for you. My parents think that cryptos and stocks won't make them money, but they are completely wrong. That's true. I try to tell this to my parents and friends as well, that crypto, stocks and shares, you need to learn about it. I'm not telling people to invest because I can't give financial advice, but what I always tell people is to learn about it. Always. Always learn about it, you know. So even NFTs, I know a lot of people who are interested in art, or they do art, and I've told them about NFTs. Some people I haven't told about NFTs, but I'm gonna show them that it can work for me before I try to convince them that it will work for them. And that's another thing with this YouTube channel, is that I'm proving to my friends that it works for me. You should create a YouTube channel as well, because it could work for you. And that's what it is. You have to prove to people that what you say is real. So JW was just saying, I don't waste my money on stupid things. Good for you. My dad went crazy when I told him I invested 500 in crypto a month ago. Yeah, parents will go crazy. Parents will go crazy because they don't really understand, you know, but yeah, they don't really understand. And it's really unfortunate. It's almost impossible to explain to parents crypto and stocks and shares. And you would think that they would understand because they've been around for such a long time. They should understand how the financial world works. But surprisingly, our parents, they don't understand how to make money. And we have to teach them how to make money, which is bizarre to me. It's bizarre that we have to teach our parents, hey, this is how you make money. You don't put it into the bank to make interest. No, you make money by investing in an asset that could 10x or 20x or 1,000x. It's crazy, but it's hard to convince, like, to talk to parents about it sometimes. So he doesn't know that I have 5K invested right now. Holy shit. Good for you. Good for you. Because I had, I think I had around almost 5K, 4,500 invested at one point. And I was only in crypto. I was only in crypto. And I don't mind telling people this. I've sold all of my crypto. Crazy, right? I've sold all of my crypto. It was a personal issue. I was going through like a lot of personal things, so I had to sell it. But the funny thing is, I only have one regret about selling one crypto, or maybe two. I had 10,000 Tron at one point. And this was when Tron, 1,000 Tron cost 10 pounds. Right now it's worth about 100 pounds for 1,000 Tron. I also gave one of my friends 1,000 Tron for his birthday. 10 pounds, and it's now valued 100 pounds. And I told him, bro, we're going to use that to buy a Lambo one day. I don't even think I've ever even talked about Tron on this channel. And that's simply because, like, Tron is not doing what I think it should be doing to beat Ethereum. Anyway, let's, yeah, I sold all of my crypto, which is crazy. But I sold my crypto for good reason. I have no regret, except for Tron and and Ethereum. I bought 5 Ethereum when they were under $100, less than $100, and I bought 5 Ethereum. I sold that shit without a profit, by the way, because I wasn't worried about profit. But seeing the price of Ethereum now, it's like, oh wow, I really effed up right there. So a lot of things that have happened made me change my mind about how to invest. And what I realized is that a person like me shouldn't even be investing right now. You shouldn't invest when you don't have the money to invest. And what that means is basically like, okay, so you got like, I don't know, you've got like, say you can invest like a couple of £100 per month into stocks and shares or crypto. That's good in 30, 40, 50 years. That's a lot of money. That can make you a lot of money. Hundreds of grands, that can make you a lot of money. But the problem is, what if you go broke and you have to get that money out of your investment to use it? That's the problem with investing. So I've told myself there's no point investing if I have to take my money out of investment, because what happens if I go broke? So there's a problem. I have to fix the problem of going broke. I can't go broke ever again. As an investor, you should never go broke, because if you go broke, you're going to take out your investment. And if you take out your investment, you're going to lose all of your future gains. So I said to myself, bro, you're not qualified to invest right now. The only thing you're qualified to do is to invest, but only not for gain, for research, to learn how the financial market works. And that's the only reason I invest right now. I will start investing properly again in 1 to 2 years, when I know that I won't ever go broke again. But there's no point investing if I could go broke in the future. Just think about that for a moment. It might not make full sense, but think about it for a moment. Just think about that for a moment. Trust me, it's a mistake a lot of people make, and I've made that mistake, and I'm not going to make that mistake again by going broke. That's why I realized that if you build businesses, that are self-efficient, you won't go broke. You will not go broke if you build businesses that are self-efficient. You will not go broke. If you build a restaurant, you could go broke because of like COVID-19. Restaurants were shutting down. So many restaurants lost out. You could go broke. But you build a YouTube channel, the only thing that could impact you negative is if YouTube go down, if Google go down. And I don't really see that happening. Do you? Because I remember a time when Google crashed and the entire world almost stood still because everyone relied on Google for something else. Gmail, YouTube, Google search. They have so much product. Google cloud, their cloud system, they've got so much product that the world relies on. So Google isn't going down full time. It may go down temporarily like Facebook did the other day, but it's not going down full time. So building a business, an internet media business, is key. And then building a brand. Apple has a brand. And what they have is an ecosystem. And when you have a brand, a powerful brand, you can add new products. Just like how Apple got rid of the headphone jack. They got rid of the headphone jack on their smartphones. And they created AirPods. And now the AirPods alone makes more money than Uber and Netflix. I don't think most people know that Apple AirPod business alone, I'm not talking about their iPhone sales or any other sales. I'm talking specifically only about their AirPods sales. Those expensive little ugly AirPods that they sell. I'm sorry if anyone has AirPods. You're going to be upset. Apple, that business alone makes more money than Uber and Netflix. And that's what having a powerful ecosystem does. So I've learned that along the way, that I need a powerful ecosystem. I need brands. I need businesses that can be self-reliant. Then I can invest. If you can't do that, don't invest. You're just investing for retirement. Then it might as well you invest your pension. You know, if I'm going to invest in retirement, I'll just invest my pension. And it's not a bad idea. It works for some people, but it's not for me. I want to invest properly. Now let me get back to my comments because I've been talking to myself once again. That was 500 invested, is now 250 now, by the way. Damn, that's crazy. But good for you though. Good for you. And that's the thing about investment, is like there's loads of things you're gonna learn along the way. And when you invest real money, it makes you have a real emotional connection to your investments. You know, if you use a demo account, you're not going to really feel emotional about your investments. But when you use your real money, it's an emotional roller coaster. I check my investment app every day. And it's not like I want to make money from it. I'm just doing it for research. But I check it every day. The only company right now that I really want to invest in, even though I shouldn't, because I tell myself I should invest. The only company I want to invest in right now is Polestar. Polestar, yes. That's the company I want to invest in right now. Like, I think it's a golden opportunity and I can't afford to miss that opportunity. Just like me and many others missed the Tesla opportunity. I've really fallen backwards on the comments, so let me catch up. Good job, JW. You don't have to explain your vision to everyone. Keep it low. And that's another thing. Your vision, your goals. Yeah, you can do whatever you want with them. Like, you can either tell people, or you cannot, or you can tell people who are interested in it. You know, some people are not always interested in it. Some people won't always understand it. So it's up to you. But I've also realized the less I talk about my goals and vision is the more I achieve, because I stopped thinking about what people see and what people care about and what people think. I started thinking about what I think, what I can do. I started to do instead of talk. More work, less talk, and show your results. Do your homework in silence and show them your results. And then people, you won't even want to talk to people. People want to talk to you. When you invest and you show people your investment strategies, I've shown friends my investment strategy and they know that shit works. And they want to talk to me, you know? So that's the thing in life. You just learn these things along the way, which is really good. Tony was just saying, I started 3 weeks ago with 5K. It's now 6.2K. 3 weeks just holding. Wait, over 6 grand invested. If you got over 6 grand invested, good for you. Because any amount of money you invest, I have a core principle. If I'm investing, I'm thinking, can it make at least 10x? Just as an example, if I were to invest in Avalanche, can it make 10x from where it is right now, $56? Hell yes, it can 10x. When I say 10x, I mean like 10x in the next 5 years, 10 years. Hell yes, it's gonna do a lot better than 10x. So that's the core principle. I think first, can it 10x? And then I think to myself, can it 20x, 30x, 100x? And that's the philosophy. But if I'm investing in anything, it has to be able to 10x. And that's a core principle. When you think like that, you will invest in better companies, because you're not thinking too big, but you're definitely not thinking too small. You're not thinking about 2x and then 3x and then 4x, and you're thinking about 10x. And that's where you should start. But then again, you know, you're always learning. I'm always learning. So my opinions could change in the future. So could everyone. Inflation is higher than the banks. APR, it doesn't make sense to keep it there. My goal is to have 100K invested by 2025. It's possible. Whew. Take this into account as well. The more you invest is the more you're earning. You know, your investments are going up in value. And by the way, let me know, because if I can't give financial advice, but if my friends ask me, like, they might ask me like, I want to invest, but I want to make money over time, like guaranteed. I'd be like, okay, the first company you should probably invest in is Apple, because they're going to continue to grow continuously. Second company is probably like Tesla. They'll continue to grow. These are companies that will give you guaranteed growth. S&P 500, it's a guaranteed growth. The top 500 biggest companies in America. With that principle, it's easy to make money because it's guaranteed to grow, because you're investing in companies that are just continuously growth on a growth trajectory. So it's easy to make money in that fashion. But I don't want to make that kind of money. I don't want to make that. I want to make different kind of money. But 100K by 2025 is amazing. That'd be amazing. What year are we in now? 2021. So that's 4 years away. 4 years away. I don't plan on touching the money for years. Good. You know what? Let's talk about touching money. Investments. A core principle of my investment mind is to never sell your investments. Never. I will never sell my investments. That's the mindset I have. Never sell your investments, especially if it's a good investment. You only sell if you know it's like, okay, this business is like Intel. If you invested in Intel 10 years ago, you probably make a lot of money by now. But would you sell Intel right now? Maybe. Because Intel is being replaced by so many people. Apple is building their own chips. They don't need Intel anymore. And other manufacturers will realize we don't really need Intel anymore. We can build our own chip. Ryzen, my computer is running a Ryzen. It's not running Intel. Ryzen is becoming more popular in the gaming and computer building community. So businesses that are great like right now, they might not be that great 20, 30 years from now. So yes, you can sell investments, but I don't want to. I'm thinking about hold as long as possible, never sell. And a lot of people say, well, how will you make money if you never sell? It's quite simple, really. You take out loans. By the way, this is not financial advice, but this is what I would do. If I had $100,000 in investment, or okay, £500,000 in investments, but I want some money. Maybe I want money to open a new business. Maybe I want money for a deposit on a house, vacation, whatever I want money for. I take out a loan. You got to build a good credit so you can take out good loans. You also want to invest in assets that you can use as collateral, such as stocks and shares. You can use that as collateral. The reason why I say take out loans is because you don't pay any tax when you take out loans. By the way, not financial advice, but you don't pay tax when you take out loans. But if you invest $1,000 into Shiba Inu, and it went up like 100x, then you would have to pay tax on 99 grand or 100k or 100, basically 99% of your investment. You'll have to pay tax on that because you've made capital gain. So you lose a lot of money by selling and paying tax. But if you take out a loan, you don't have to pay tax, and you can pay off that loan slowly but surely. And it's even better for your credit, because your credit gets better if you pay off your loan properly. Not just that, but your relationship with the loan provider gets better if you pay off your loan on time, because they'll be like, wow, this person is always paying back their loan on time. They're great for business. You build a great credit. You build great businesses with loan providers, with banks. Never sell. And that's what Warren Buffett does. That's what Elon Musk does. That's what Jeff Bezos does. They don't sell their assets. They just take out loans and they live off loans, and they just pay it back in small proportions, and they get really good interest fees. Let me get back to my comments. Okay, LBRY is a YouTube alternative. You make coins both as a creator and a user. Really? Nearly everyone should be able to invest $20 a week, $20 or £20 a week. Investing 20 quid a week is 1,000 a year. Think about that. Wait, really? So 20 quid a week, that's 80 pounds a month. That's £1,000 a year. Wow, that's 10,000 pounds in 10 years. If that investment 10x, that's 100 grand. Wow. If that investment 50x, that's 500 grand. Wow. That's quite impressive when you look at it like that, you know. I would not invest your pension because it could go savagely wrong. That's a good point. By the way, guys, I'm really late on the comments, so I'm going through the old comments. That's a good point. It's really risky, but again, not financial advice, but it's a risk that I would take specifically because I'm really young. And because I'm really young, I'm not going to retire anytime soon, am I? You know, so because, well, I'm not really young, but I'm 25. So I'm not going to retire anytime soon for the next 30 years, 35 years, 40 years. I'm not going to retire. So it makes me think, yeah, you can take risk. Besides, if I could invest all my pension into Tesla, I would do it in a heartbeat. I would do it in a heartbeat. I don't even care if I lose my money. You know, I believe in Tesla way too much. I think can it 50x at least, turn 5k into 100. I mean, not invest 100k. I see. You wanted to see if you can turn your 5,000 investment into 100x. Oh, I see. Well, that's even more interesting. I mean, it's 4 years away in crypto. You can definitely achieve that. Let me think. Think about this. If you invested £5,000 into Dogecoin before Dogecoin went on its huge rally, how much money do you think you would have made from £5,000? From £5,000. Let's check out Dogecoin. Let's check out Dogecoin. Let's check out, because we haven't checked out Dogecoin in this video, and this video is almost 2 hours long. But this video is doing really well right now. We've got 7 people watching this video and 7 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for helping this channel to hit 6,000 subs. Yo, it means a lot. It means a lot. This is our old video that got horribly disrupted. But it happens. It happens, you know. I'll probably just private this video. Yeah, let's put that video on private, and just keep this one up. This one is much better. This one is not, I'm not having any internet connection, and I think you guys can hear me. I don't think there is a lot of buffering. Yeah, let's go on Dogecoin and let's do a little bit of a calculation on Dogecoin. I did this not too long ago. So wow, look at the price of Dogecoin even like early this year. Wow, look at that. But even before that, like last year, let's go to last year, like 1 year ago. Yeah, 1 year ago, Dogecoin was around 0.0026 cents. Wow, I'm going to do a quick calculations. While I keep up with the comments. What do the comments say? Whatever I invest, I think of it as money that can go down the drain, so I don't take it out. Exactly. You have to be willing to lose it. You know, it sounds a little bit crazy, but you have to be willing to use it. You know, you have to be willing to lose that money, unfortunately, when you're investing. It's kind of sad, but it's a smart thing to do, because you could lose that money. Some of the greatest investors have made some of the worst investment decisions. So you could lose that money. I'm going to pin this message so it just stays right there. We're going to go through a quick calculations on Dogecoins, because I'm seriously curious. Investing 5 grand into Dogecoin before it went into its all-time high. How much could you have now? Maybe sell a stagnant stock and reinvest it in a better boomer. I've done that before. I've invested in bad stocks and I've sold it and just invested in better positions. You know, if you go to my second channel, wow, this is a really great way to plug my second channel. I can't help it. If you go to my second channel, my most admirable company right now that is currently in their startup phase is Arrival. They're an electric vehicle maker, and I make great videos on Arrival. And the funny thing is that when I first uploaded these videos, they were not doing good, but over time these videos have just gained a lot of views and helped me to gain a lot of subscribers. But I've done that before. I've taken out money out of other investing and invested in Arrival because I believe in Arrival a lot more. They're building vehicles. They've got great orders, great order numbers from big companies such as UPS, and the list goes on. The list goes on. I don't pay tax here. You don't pay tax? Tony doesn't pay tax. Do you live in Monaco or something, bro? You either live in Monaco or you live in Dubai. I think those are like some good tax haven. But the things that like different kind of tax for different kind of reasons, you know, like there's corporation tax and there's capital gain and there's personal tax. There's different kind of tax. Okay, big thing is that we're now on 8 likes on this video. 8 likes. Yo, this has been one of the best videos to make, and it's a live stream. One of the best, most exciting videos to make. We're on 8 likes right now. It's fantastic. 6,000 subscribers, live stream, celebration, you know, and we're promoting our Discord as well. We're on Twitter. You guys can check that out. Let me get back to Dogecoin because I'm going to do some quick math on Dogecoin. So I believe it was, yeah. And this is 1 year ago. 1 year ago exactly, how much was Dogecoin? Around 0.0026 cents. 0.0026 cents. How much Dogecoins would that be? Damn, got no idea. Okay, 200,000 Dogecoin. Nah, that would have been more than 200,000 Dogecoin. Way more than 200,000 Dogecoin. We're looking at over millions of Dogecoin. Let's do that again. So what I'm trying to figure out here, I'm trying to figure out if this JW, I'm trying to figure out if that 5,000 investment could have made 100 grand in Dogecoin investment. If you had invested that in Dogecoin a year ago, in October last year, could it make 100 grand? I think so. I think it could have made a lot more than 100 grand. Unknown Soldier says, hi man, I congrat you for 6K subs. Thank you. We got another viewer, another subscriber. You should do more Keen videos. Many good things are happening right now. That's a good point. That's a great point. I haven't made a Keen video in a while. My last Keen video was almost 2 months ago. Damn. Almost 2 months ago. This was August the 20th. Fantastic video, by the way. Fantastic video. A fantastic video. I really enjoyed making this video. Fantastic video. And I love it when there's a lot of great things going on in the community of Keen, because it makes me, I can talk about what's going on in the community, like ecosystem updates and stuff like that, and community updates. But most importantly, I can also talk about a price analysis and price predictions. You know, and my price analysis, like doing my price analysis has gotten a lot better. They've gotten so much better, you know, over time. Like when I'm making price analysis videos now, they look way better than just like than a few months ago. You know, they make a lot more sense as well. I'm taking a lot of things into account. I've got talking points as well. So this is what I mean when I say the channel is slowly getting better, because I'm always developing it. And you guys have been patient as well. You guys have been patient with me. Let me keep an eye on the comments. I'm going to get back to my... But yes, Unknown Soldier, I will definitely be looking forward to making more videos on Keen. That 5K is definitely over a mil. A mil in Dogecoin, most likely. Wait, Portugal is zero crypto tax. Wait, what? Portugal is zero crypto tax? I didn't know that. And my girlfriend is from Portugal. So, holy crap. Now I have something new to talk to her about. Like, babe, you did not tell me that Portugal had a zero crypto tax. Is that a law? Is that a law? Unknown Soldier is saying, nice. Keep it up, man. Thank you. I will. And the channel is growing. It's just getting better and better. Get it in your girl name. Wait, get what in my girl name? Get the crypto in my girl name because she's from Portugal and she lives there, so she's got a citizenship. She's a national. So she has different rights than me because I'm not a national of Portugal. I'm not even in the EU anymore. I live in the UK. We've left the EU, which is really crap. It's really crap. I'm not even going to go into the Brexit talk because it's going to piss me off. I can't believe they left the EU. We left the EU. All right. I'm on my Dogecoin. So it's around 2 million actually. It's around 2 million. It's around 2 million Dogecoin. Yeah, let's call it 2 million Dogecoin. Basically, 2 million Dogecoin at that time would have equal to 5,200. So, wow. So at its all-time high, was that like 69 cents or something, or 70 cents? About 68 cents. Yeah, 68 cents. Holy crap. All right, 68 cents times that by 2 million Dogecoin. Bro. Whew. Holy crap. Holy crap. Remember now, you would have 2 million Dogecoin. You would have had 2 million Dogecoin at 68 cents. By the way, Dogecoin is going to hit $1 one day, which means that if you had 2 million Dogecoin, damn, you would have $2 million or 2 million pounds. What I actually got is that your Dogecoin value would have been 1.3 million from a 5,000 investment. I can't believe that. Let me do the math again. I think I might have done the math wrong. I can't believe it. I cannot believe that. I just can't. Hold on. Okay, I've got a calculator. This was the price of Dogecoin, right? Last year. Let's just confirm that. October, around October the 20th, or around October the 16th, 17th, the price was fluctuating. But let's go with my original number, which was, why am I in November? Should be in October, yeah, 25 cents, 24 cents, 26 cents. Not 26 cents, but you know what I mean, like 0.0026 cents. That was the price of Dogecoin last year this time. Times that by 2 million Dogecoin. 2 million Dogecoin, it would have cost you 5,200 pounds or dollars, whichever one you choose. Okay, so you've got 2 million Dogecoins, remember. Times that by, wait, what am I doing? Yeah, 2 million Dogecoins times that by 0.68 cents. Now, as we've discussed, Dogecoin at its all-time high, 68 cents. 68 cents. And there you go, 2 million Dogecoin, 68 cents. You would have 1,360,000. So JW, yes, my friend, you could, you could turn 5,000 into 100,000 in 4 years. Yes, you could. Most definitely. You just have to make the right investment, which is really hard because who knows what the next Dogecoin will be? Who knows? You know, Dogecoin and Shiba is really different. Dogecoin supply is around 131 billion. It will keep on growing, but Shiba Inu, you know, yeah, you can see for yourself. I mean, circulating supply alone just completely destroy Dogecoin. What's that, like 1 trillion coins in max supply? Yeah. So it's a lot different, and it's already 20th in the world. Shiba Inu is already 20th in the world. Dogecoin is 10th. Market cap 31 billion for Dogecoin. 10 billion for Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu 10x. Well, not 10x, but can the price double? Can the price triple? Which would bring up, if the price tripled, it would bring up the market cap to same as Dogecoin, 31 billion. So hey, I got nothing else to say. Let's get rid of ARK Invest. We've spoken about it already. Let's get rid of ARK Invest. But damn, holy crap. So Shiba Inu has a real use case. I've heard that. So we were talking about this earlier in this video, that Shiba Inu has been developing real use cases, which will make it even more valuable. So JW says she won't have to pay tax if she cash out. Damn. So I want to move to Portugal because I'm in Ireland, and you only get 1,270 euros tax relief on crypto, and anything over that you pay 32%. Holy crap. I put 43 euros into Keen in January 2020 and made 6,200. Damn. Good for you. Good for you. And that's what I mean. You don't need to put a lot of money into crypto to make a lot of money. That's the amazing thing about crypto. The amazing thing about crypto is that you can invest 5,000 into Dogecoin last year and make 1.3 million. You cannot do that in the stock market. There is no way in the stock market you can invest $5,000 or £5,000 and turn it into 1.3 million, unless you're doing like option trading, and you're a genius if you're doing option trading and you can make that much money with $5,000. But that's the big difference with the crypto market. You don't have to have a lot of money to make a lot of money. That's the amazing thing. You just have to put a little bit of money in and just watch it go up. A little bit of money you don't even care about. You know, think about it like a little piggy bank. You just drop a few pennies in. Once again, not financial advice. It's $1.3 million from 5K investment. Yeah, man, that's crazy. 14% gains. That's just insane. How did you invest in Keen? What made you buy? Good question. Started in January 2019 to invest in Keen. Just read the white paper, and it clicked in your brain. Good for you. When it clicks, it clicks. When it clicks, it makes sense. They have real use cases, and good contracts, big exchanges. Now a few big companies are in talks with them. So now that we've talked about Shiba and Doge, let's go on to Keen. The conversation is now on Keen protocol. And I love Keen, by the way. Like, I've made quite a few videos on Keen. It's one of my most successful topics to talk about is Keen protocol. So I definitely will be making some videos on Keen soon. So we live stream today, and we might start making videos tonight or tomorrow. I'm not sure about tonight. Tonight I might do some designing, because I need to start creating NFTs. I need to work on ideas if I want to launch NFTs, right, guys? I'll get back to these comments just for a moment, because they're a part of the Solana ecosystem. Damn, that's big as well. That's big as well. Being a part of the Solana ecosystem. That's how Keen got the attention of some big names, and it's only gonna get bigger. They contracted Keen, and not Keen them, which is super bullish. My portfolio right now is all invested in Harmony, VeChain, Multivag, Ver Veracity. I think I've made a video on Veracity and Trias. I haven't made a video on Trias. Let me check out Trias. All solid projects. VeChain also. I've made videos on VeChain. Do you still hold Keen? I hold since 2018. 2018. Damn. Bought all the way down. Diamond hands. That's how others would call it. Definitely. When you invest that cheap, yeah, diamond hands for sure. For sure. Good for you both for investing in projects, man. Good for you both. But I'll definitely be talking more about this. So what's new? What's recent in the news? Empowering e-commerce with Keen. Who is Keen ecosystem community? They've got a newsletter as well. We can talk about this in my upcoming video. And I think Keen should definitely continue to lean into the NFT space. NFT crypto game. I think that's where Keen will shine. Obviously, I know the history of Keen, like how they started, how they were developed by the same team that developed the messaging app, which I used to use all the time, I think. And now the tokens, I think you can use the tokens in the messaging app. It's a whole story. It's a whole story, but it's a fantastic story. Funny thing is that we're all always like learning about crypto as well, non-stop, never ending. It's like one of those things that you're always learning something new. You should check Keen News, e-commerce. Keen News, e-commerce. We'll definitely have to talk about this in my upcoming videos as well. So they're integrating this thing into e-commerce sites. They're integrating the token. And that's the thing about the token, it being a rewards token as well. I think it's going to work so well in like crypto games and NFT platforms. Have you guys heard of B Pro Network? I haven't heard of B Pro Network actually, but I will certainly check it out right now. You know, the amazing thing about Keen is that it's actually down right now in price. That's the amazing thing. That's the amazing thing. It's actually down in price right now. So not financial advice, but right now is one of the best time to buy Keen. Incredible. I must say, guys, sometimes in this videos we were also above like 9 views consistently, 8 views consistently. That's big. We're on 6 views right now consistently, and the average watch time is around 2 minutes and 56 seconds. That's really good. So there was a coin, Trias. I wanted to check out Trias. So I think, yeah, so JW mentioned Trias. Just confirm with me, is this the right one that I've got? Trias token. Trias token. Check out Trias token. Also B Pro, I want to check that out as well. B Pro Network. They survived the SEC lawsuit while other projects like Telegram has failed. The major breakout is to happen short term for Keen. The major breakout is about to happen short term for Keen. Keen Foundation is pushing hard behind the scenes. Yes, that's the one. Good. So this is the one. You know what? I'm aware that they're pushing really hard behind the scenes as well, and that's really good. It's really similar to Solana. It's funny that they're in partnership with Solana, because Solana is one of those projects that goes hard behind the scenes. Like when it comes to projects, like we were talking about this earlier in this video, that Solana just went from around, was it around 302 apps or dApps on their platforms, in their ecosystem in total, to above 420 in the space of less than 2 months. Obviously, these didn't, like, the development didn't happen in 2 months, but the development was going on months before, maybe years in advance. But publishing these projects becoming available in less than a couple of months, that's really extraordinary. So this is Trias, trustworthy and reliable intelligent autonomous systems. Trias token economy. Trias token economy vision. Successful token economy considers monetary theory, financial economics, international microeconomics, and game theory. Trias builds a consolidate and sustainable token economy around the technology on the basis of interpretation from the traditional ecosystem. Economy, not ecosystem. Economy, not ecosystem. So token economics structure, they talk about that. From Leviathan to Prometh, McCarta. Obviously these are within their own ecosystem, so it has completely different meaning from what I understand. I'd have to like read into this to get a proper understanding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this to my altcoin folder so I can make a video on this thing. And I must say as well, I think it was August and September. September was my best month in YouTube. Best month of making videos. Just incredible. And August was incredible as well, because August started slowly, but it ended extremely high. And September was just a rocket ship. Now, October, where we are right now, we're over halfway into October. The growth has been a little bit slow, but honestly, I'm not particularly bothered, because we've just crossed, like, we've still achieved 5k subs. This time last month we achieved 5k sub, and now this month we're achieving 6k subs. So incredible, really, really incredible. So even though I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, in this month alone, I've uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 videos, 12 or 13 videos in the space of 17 days. So I haven't been uploading a lot. And I think that's just because I've been focused on like 3D designing a lot. I'm studying 3D designing. So I work, I study, I've got 2 YouTube channels to manage. So every month, it's really hard to stay consistent every month. But damn, September, we went insane in September. We went insane. And August was just a great month to launch everything. And that's the thing about YouTube. If you're consistent, it pays off. But if you're not consistent, it really hurts you. So even when I'm not being consistent, I have to find a way to be consistent. So it's a good thing I'm making a live stream today. So a lot of times, live streams are really good as well. Let me get back to my comments. Big institution that invested in Trias and its small cap. It's a demon waiting to be unleashed. Is it? Holy crap. 1.6 million tokens in circulating supply. 10 million tokens in total supply. Is it decentralized? Because the supply is extremely low. Same with Keen. Oh yeah, Keen is a cryptos like Keen, under the radar, but like really promising. Sleeping giant. That's the word I'm looking for. They are sleeping giants. We're getting to 2 hours and a half on this video, so we'll probably have to end this video really soon. I've got to get things to eat. I've got to work on some designs. I've got to talk to my girlfriend about this this crypto tax that's in Portugal. She did not mention it to me. I'm not even sure if she knows, but we got something to talk about. Also, big institutional investors are in. I believe Trias can still 100x. 100x. That's definitely possible. That's definitely possible if it's a great product. Obviously, I haven't reviewed it yet, but if it's really promising, if it's got really good ecosystem behind it, great development team, good leaders, 100x is definite, because just look at this. The supply is insanely low. Wait, and you're holding this crypto, so I have a question for you. Where did you buy this crypto, and where are you holding it? So you probably bought it from KuCoin or PancakeSwap. Probably PancakeSwap. They're easy. I don't think you have to sign up to PancakeSwap either, so they're just like easy to like convert crypto. But which wallet are you holding them in? Because that's something I struggle with. I used to struggle with that. Like, I use Ledger. I used to use Ledger a lot, and as we know, like Ledger, I haven't used it in a while, so they might have added a lot more coins, but they were very like specific about the coins they would add. So I'd have to download something like Exodus. I think it was Exodus. No, actually, it's not Exodus. There is a crypto wallet, and it's on the App Store. I think it's on the Google Play Store as well, and it's kind of like Exodus, but Atomic wallet. Atomic wallet is fantastic. Let me get back to my comments. Yeah, for sure. Small caps are a huge advantage if you get in early. 5 billion market cap to get 100x. I think 5 billion market cap. Right now it's 13,000, so it's really under the radar. This thing is extremely under the radar, which is good. Which means that there's not a lot of people who's invested in this thing. Holy crap. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this will 100x. Oh yeah, this will 100x. Easily. This will 100x, all right. No doubt about it. Holy crap. Look at the market cap. Market cap is super low. And I'm laughing, I'm smiling as well, because that's a good thing that the market cap is so low, because it means that not a lot of people have invested, which is why the price is so low. So JW, you just did us a favor by telling us about this thing before people started investing heavily. You know, this is incredible. So I'm definitely gonna have to check this out and learn about it. I bought on KuCoin. I have it on the exchange right now, but I need to get Cold Wallet. Check out Atomic. I don't know if you have Atomic, but Atomic usually supports a lot of tokens, a lot of different coins. So you can check that out to find out if it's available to store on Atomic or Exodus or Ledger. Ledger is probably the best because it's the cold wallet, and I love Ledger, you know. But another thing is that if you got multiple wallets, like if you got multiple wallets and they're not cold wallets, and you don't want to keep all of your eggs in one basket, you can always put some of your coins in different wallets just in case something happens to one wallet. Because if you hold all of your coin on Binance and something happens to Binance, you're screwed. But if you hold 25% on Binance, 25% on Coinbase, 25% on Exodus, 25% on Ledger, you distribute them, it's better. But if you can hold everything on a cold wallet, that's the best thing to do. But if you can't, then you have to, best thing to do is to distribute them, because hackers always find a way. I have VeChain and Harmony on Binance and Trias, Veracity and Multivac and KuCoin. Atomic Wallets is alright, but they kind of delisted Keen from there. What? Delisted? I didn't know they do that. I didn't know they delist coins. That's kind of crazy. I wonder why they do that. I wonder why. It's 50 million market cap, I believe. 50 million market cap. Is that Trias token? On coin market cap it says 13.7, as you can see. Fully diluted 85. Because they don't want to support SPL tokens. What? They don't want to support SPL tokens. That's... But SPL tokens, isn't that like Solana tokens? Like a token program on Solana blockchain. It's not updated on CoinMarketCap. Trias, yes. Go CoinGecko and look at Trias. Okay. CoinGecko. I bought a new keyboard today and I haven't got it. Like, I bought it in store and it turns out I picked the wrong color. Well, actually, I picked the right color, but they didn't have that color in stock. I picked the gray. They didn't have that one in stock. They had the black one in stock, though. And I couldn't exchange because they were like, the store is closed 1 minute too late. It's always annoying when that happens. When you know they can help, but they don't. Anyway, let's check out Trias on CoinGecko. You know, the funny thing is that I don't even use CoinGecko for my crypto videos. I probably should. I probably can check it out because it has a dark mode as well, which is really good. Look at that, nice. It has a dark mode and market cap 52,000. Wow. Circulating supply 5 million, total supply 10 million. Any ideas if the token supply is limited or if they can add more supplies? CoinGecko definitely, and that's the thing, using different platforms to view crypto will always tell you different information, which is why you should check out different platforms and use different platforms because it gives you different information, and that's good. Because CoinMarketCap is giving me 1.6 in circulating supply and CoinGecko is saying 5 million. You think it's limited? Okay, cool. I will. So I've got a few new coins that I can definitely do research on. Let me save this to my altcoin folder. Yeah, there you go. So the great thing about making this live stream is that I've talked to a lot of people. So it's been really great. JW, Soldier, Tony. We've had some great conversations, and what I've learned is that you guys are interested in different coins that I can research about and make videos for. And I'll make price prediction and price analysis as well. And I will watch out for your guys' comments because you guys are supporting my live stream right now, so thank you. 6,000 subs. Wow. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. and we've had plenty of views on this video so far. Plenty of views on this video so far. So it's been a really successful day to live stream. And the amazing thing is that I'll probably live stream with other people, friends of mine. I probably definitely will, because I want more people on the channel. You know, one day we will make proper podcasts. By the way, I do make podcasts. Altcoin Disrupt has a podcast. But let me explain. The podcast is basically the audio version of my videos. Now, the sad thing is that I haven't been uploading recently. For the last 2 months, I'd say, I haven't been uploading on the podcast. But the podcast has a lot of potential that I've noticed. So I don't know if you guys remember when I was saying like, I was basically saying that one day I will be showing my face on the channel so we can talk face to face, live stream or video. But what's really exciting is that we'll do podcasts as well. And I'll have guests on this channel, friends of mine, anyone who want to come on this channel to talk about crypto, you know. And I'll also have people on this channel such as like crypto makers, like teams, people who create like Mina protocol. Like, I will try to get in contact with the developers, the teams, and I will ask them if they want to be on the channel so we can make videos and I can upload them to the channel. So this channel definitely has loads of potential. Loads of potential, guys. Let me get back to the comments. I've missed a few. Tony said it was cool. Yes, indeed, man. It was cool. It was real cool making this live stream. It was definitely long overweighted, you know. Blocktopia top bros at 40 per doing today. Just had a comment from Stamatis Mess. So yeah, definitely. Thank you, Soldier. I'll definitely keep up the good work for sure. And thanks to Tony as well for sure. Thanks to JW as well for damn sure. Keep up the good work. We will remember this when you drive our Lambo. When we drive our Lambo. You better, bro. Shit. You drive that Lambo. Put a Altcoin Disrupt sticker on the Lambo, bro. You know, if I get a Lambo one day, like a Huracan, I definitely want to graffiti that. Like just like, my girlfriend does art as well. I'll probably just like, let's just graffiti the car. If I had a Lambo, because it probably never resold, but you know, it's a Lambo. Yeah, slap a Altcoin Disrupt sticker. I will sell stickers as well. Earlier in this video, we were talking about merch. I will be selling stickers. Remember now, we're going to be doing NFTs. I'm going to be publishing artwork. We're going to be doing stickers as well. Altcoin Disrupt stickers, t-shirts, a lot of plans for merch. Merch will probably come late next year. I don't think it will happen early next year. If it does, that would be extraordinary. I thought about like putting my designs on like Redbubble. There's platforms like Redbubble for sure. So I thought about like putting my designs like on Redbubble, but problem is that they take a big percentage. Redbubble takes like a big percentage out of my wages. I don't wanna put my designs on Redbubble. They take like 80% sometimes. But we will have merch, t-shirts and stickers. So you will be getting Altcoin Disrupt stickers. And you can put that on the Lambo. whenever you get a Lambo. I got some stickers on my door. I will be selling posters as well. I don't know if I mentioned that, but when it comes to merch, it will start with t-shirts and stickers and stuff like that, hats. But eventually, once we create the brand, branding will be a lot more professional look for branding. But we've got a lot of products, loads of products that we can put for merch. Loads of products. So I thought about using Redbubble, but I don't think I will. I think what I'll do is use Shopify. I've heard of people using Shopify for their clothing, stuff like that. I'll probably use Shopify. Let's go to Shopify for a minute, because Shopify probably will pay me more. I say probably, but Shopify is kind of similar to Redbubble, where you kind of like, you have your store and you have your different like products and stuff like that. So I think that's a place I'll definitely start, like a merch shop for t-shirts, hats, hoodies, all kinds of things. I have a E90. Wait, a BMW E90? I think that's a BMW, right? E90. By the way, I drive a BMW as well. 1 Series. 1 Series. Drive a 1 Series. I drive a 1 Series. Yeah. BMW E90. I thought I recognized the name. Wait, but is it 2 doors or 4 doors? Because the 4 doors, I'm guessing. You know what I really like? I really like those old classic BMWs though. Those old classic BMWs. I really dig those ones. I really do. They're dope. Especially like when I see people like taking them apart, putting them back together, like for a personal project. It's dope as hell. It's dope as hell. Wait, Soldier said he hates Lambos. I missed that comment. I'm just seeing it. Soldier said he hates Lambos. We got a problem. I don't want a Lambo. I want a private jet. Nice. You know, the only way I get a private jet is if I'm flying it myself. I genuinely want to learn to fly and fly my own jet. I'll also have parachutes just in case. But yeah, I drive my own car. I want to fly my own jet. Crazy, but yeah, do it. Like, it's part of life. Live it. Live life, you know? But you know, one day I just want to live in Hawaii. That's where I want to fucking live. In Hawaii. When this channel is doing amazing. I'm talking like 5 years from now. 4 or 5 years from now. When the business is running smooth as Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory. One day I'll be living in Hawaii and surfing on a daily basis. That's the dream. My dream is like, if I was to buy a Lambo, I specifically want to take it to the track to drive it, because I love racing. I'm a big F1 fan. So that's what I think about when I think about buying supercars. You know, I think like, I want to take it to the track daily. Have to. No, I'm more of a Beamer driver. Okay, so Soldier likes Beamers. I'm well late on the comments once again. We'll be in Lambos. Hopefully, you won't still be a bus. You won't still be in a bus. I'll always be in a bus up to a couple years from now. Hopefully, a bus job is actually good. You know, it pays good, but the only thing is that like I need more time, which I'm gonna take more time off next year. Big F1 fan, nice. Me too. Which team and driver? Ooh. We had to go there. We had to go to the favorite driver. You're definitely a Max fan, right? Mad Max, bro. You're definitely a Max fan. You drive BMWs. You're definitely a Max fan. If you like BMWs, you're definitely a Max fan. I just know. I just know. I'm gonna give you guys a hint. My favorite team. I drive a BMW, but secretly I love Mercedes. But I can't afford a Mercedes. Even an equivalent to a 1 Series, which is basically the A class. I want an A class, but I can't afford it. I can't afford it. Max Verstappen. Now I'm a Kubica fan. Kubica, great driver, great driver. Wait, wasn't Kubica in a recent race? For Kimi Raikkonen, yeah. Kimi got sick because of COVID, I think, and Kubica was in a race. Was it? It wasn't. It wasn't Turkey. It was the one before Turkey, wasn't it? What's that race before Turkey? I can't remember. What's that race? Russia. I think he was driving in Russia. Yeah, I like Kubica. He's a humble guy and great racing driver. It's just really unfortunate, like what happened in. Oh, he drove in Turkey as well. Because you're saying he drove in 2 races. He drove in Turkey as well. Holy crap. Um. Shopify, they're in talks with Keen as well. I know they follow each other on Twitter. Wait, what? Shopify's in talk with Keen. That's big. That is big. That is big. I know this is really random, but I'm just gonna say it because why not? My girlfriend just sent me a message. She is so adorable, bro. She's so adorable, bro. She is so adorable, bro. I got the best girlfriend in the world. I'm not lying. Let's get back to F1. All of this talks about girls is like, let's get back to F1. Racing cars, bro. Racing cars. Yeah, Max Verstappen, Benz, BMW. To be fair, had both. BMWs are more fun for racing projects though. Yeah, I'll admit, like BMWs do seem like they're a lot more like fun for racing projects and just like personal projects, like in Italy and Netherlands. Um, don't make me FOMO in on Keen. No, you should because Keen is great. I've been researching about Keen for a long time now. Keen is amazing. Like seriously, once you start learning about it, you'll realize Keen is amazing. I will keep it for a better secret. I want to buy more Keen for less because it explode. Well, we were just talking about this, guys. We're just talking about this. Like, this is actually a great time to buy Keen. By the way, not financial advice. For legal reasons, I have to say such stupid things like not financial advice. But as you can see, volume-wise, it was doing really well, which is great. It showed its potential. It showed its potential. But what I really like is that it's really cheap right now. It's really cheap right now. Like, look at that. Holy crap. So, is it a good time to invest? Yes. Will there be a better time to invest? Maybe, but who cares? Who cares? Keen back in 2018, guys. Keen has been around for a while. I'm not going to lie. Let me reply to my ladies while you guys talk about Keen. What is the supply of Keen? It's like 10 billion, I think. Is it 10 billion? Yeah, I think it's 10 billion. Yeah, 10 billion. Sorry, guys. I'm just replying to to a message. Just replying to a message. Um, I still. Yeah. So this is great. Yeah. Wait, 10 trillion. It's not billions. If I got my math wrong, I swear. Okay, so trillion. Are you guys sure it's 10 trillion? Unless I'm seeing this wrong. Because, look, no, it has to be 10 billion. Because 1.6 billion is in circulating supply, and that's 16% of its max supply. So 100% of its max supply must be 10 billion, not trillion. Where you guys got trillion from? Where you guys got trillion from, bro? Oh. Where you guys got trillion from? I don't think it's trillion. That would be crazy, though. That would be crazy as hell. $10 trillion, you know? You guys are something else. I made some amazing food today that I'm gonna enjoy with my girlfriend. We already had something to eat today. I made some amazing food, I'm not gonna lie. Like, she's such a lucky girl to get a guy like me who can cook and clean. Bro, so rare. I tell her all the time, just like fucking around with her, you know? But yes, guys, I think it's 10 billion, not trillion. Key needs a 15 billion market cap for 1 penny. Not a big deal. Realistic in more than 10 cents long term. It is 10 trillion supply. JW still thinks it's 10 trillion supply. That is crazy, crazy. Nah, it's definitely not trillions. You guys are just fucking with me now. You guys are just messing with me. There's no way it's 10 trillion. What the hell? But you know what? Keen is also really under the radar because it's 331 in the world by market cap. By market cap. It's not even 1 billion in market cap. That's crazy. Which is really surprising because it's such a great project. Literally, such a great project, honestly. It's a brilliant project. Absolutely incredible project. It is a great project, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Man, I feel like while talking about crypto, I feel like just playing video games at the same time. But let me know if there's anything else you guys would like to talk about. We've been streaming for almost 3 hours. Whew. This is big. This is big. But it's not the craziest thing I've done. I've streamed for 24 hours before. I have streamed for 24 hours before. And I will again. I've got a webcam. I've got a great computer for streaming. Various things we can do with this channel. But yes, on one of my old YouTube channels, I streamed for 24 hours straight. But I messed it up. I played music while I was streaming. Copyrighted music. And I had to take the video down. And I'm still upset till this day that I kind of ruined my 24-hour stream. By the way, this was a price analysis I did on Avalanche not too long ago. Not too long ago. This was a price analysis I did on Avalanche. Really, I was really optimistic. But most of my favorite cryptos, I put them in the header. Also because they have really nice logos on Twitter, so they make the entire Twitter page looks good. But I remember you telling me that Shopify follows Keen. Well, let's find out. But yes, I think a Shopify store, is that Pharrell? This guy does not age, does he? Still looks younger than me. This guy's like 45 years old. So I was like 45 years old. This guy doesn't age a day. He doesn't age a day. Well, Keen is following a lot of people. They're following Fenty Beauty. Okay, I have to talk about Fenty because I don't want you guys won't care. Fenty is a fashion brand owned by Rihanna. Monotype. What is Monotype? Fenty is a fashion brand owned by Rihanna, but we were talking about investments earlier, right? Investments, good investments. Fenty is a company that I need to go public. I need them to become a publicly traded company so I can invest. Literally, this company made Rihanna a billionaire. Fenty Beauty, Fenty Savage. This company made Rihanna a billionaire. You know, literally like a fashion brand, you know. So I do love to talk about companies that I could potentially invest in the future. Wait, is Tony leaving? Alright, people, I'm out. Sleep time here, but fun, useful. Keep up the great work. Thank you, Tony, for joining, bro. Thank you for joining the live stream. It's been well appreciated. Seriously, thank you. Not Shopify directly, but the executives of Shopify. The executives of Shopify. Also, by the way, did you see that Crypto Eat UK project? Crypto Eat UK project. I haven't seen that. Let me check it out. Crypto Eat UK project. Crypto Eat is set to take a large slice of the 6.6 billion delivery app market. Wait, what? Delivery app, you say? Because I have done delivery before. I've done delivery with Uber Eats, Deliveroo, especially like last year, like when I was going for a really hard time. I delivered with my car and my bike. So maybe I definitely want to take a look into this. I'm curious. So what is Crypto Eat? Like, I'm guessing it must be a company or something. And is it a publicly traded company? You know what? I'm going to research it later. I'm curious. And launch in the UK as well. Actually, it's confidential information. Look back at my comments. App release tomorrow. You hold Crypto Eats coins and use them to get free deliveries and other perks. Holy crap. App launches tomorrow. No crap. Are they on Twitter? They must be, right? Crypto Eat. Excuse me. I don't think they are on Twitter. Crypto Watch is on Twitter, not Crypto Eat. And now, as soon as I'm thinking about eating, I'm thinking about pizza again. These are some really cool NFTs. Damn, look at that. For one, I love art. For two, I really love art and NFTs. Like, it's incredible. And I can't wait to share you guys some of my NFTs ideas, my 2D ideas, my 3D ideas. I can't wait. Cinema 4D, Logitech. And I cannot wait to pick up my new... that's a nice setup. I have a similar desk mat. I think it's probably the same desk mat as this guy. Completely different monitor though. That's a $5,000 monitor from Apple. My monitor is better. I'm just joking. My monitor is in 4K. Let's get back to my comments. Their coin launched today on PancakeSwap. Whoa, they have a coin. All right, let me check out this coin. I wonder if the coin is on CoinMarketCap. Well, I'm really happy that I made this live stream video. We will be ending the live stream video soon, but it's still been an absolute pleasure. Like, seriously, it's been an absolute pleasure. Do they have something to do with Binance, Crypto Eat? I mean, I haven't read about it, but And the UK is such a great place to launch businesses. Such a great place to launch businesses. Seriously, I can't really get to their. I can't really get anything on Crypto Eat. Nah. Look at that. I can't really get anything. Now, what's going on? Okay, so I'll have to research about it another time. Ah, excuse me. That was my sneeze. Bless you. Said that to myself. Hold on. Let me try CoinGecko. Maybe Crypto Eats is on CoinGecko. Crypto Water is on CoinGecko. CoinGecko. I almost said CoinGecko. What the hell? CoinGecko. They have a co-founder, Solana, invested in Crypto Eats as well. I've heard. They are on Binance Smart Chain, I believe. Binance and Kraken also follows the chairman of Keen Foundation. Interesting. Wow, you guys do your research. I'm not gonna lie. You guys do your research. You guys know your research. You guys know your research. For sure, I'll definitely be promoting the Discord group a lot more. But if I'm not mistaken, Discord, I believe your link to your Discord group, it expires. I believe it expires after a while, right? Maybe you guys can help me confirm that. Maybe you guys can help me confirm that. I've got some stuff to add into the Discord group as well. I spent hours of research. No crap on Keen. Damn. You can set up an invite that doesn't expire for Discord. Oh, that's good. I need to do that then. You should join the Keen community Discord. You know what? That's a good idea. I need to join a lot of Discord, like a lot of servers that I need to join. Solana, Avalanche, so many projects that I follow, so many projects that I like. Yeah. Look at that. We've been streaming for over 3 hours. 3 hours. All right, guys, let me know if there's anything else you guys want to talk about before we leave. We talk about a lot. More NFTs that I like. NFTs, and I'm obsessed with NFTs and just like animation, digital art. I'm obsessed with it. I'm actually obsessed with it. We spoke a little bit earlier about Polestar. We spoke about Polestar earlier, and I just want to remind you guys, like, this Polestar is going for a SPAC merger for $20 billion valuation. It's extremely low. What a great project. And they make great cars. Let's not forget that they make great cars. They don't, not the best looking cars, but they make great cars. The only problem with Polestar, which I know this is a crypto channel, but I feel like I must say this. The only channel, if you guys are interested in Polestar stocks and shares or anything, only problem that I see with Polestar, I like this video, I can use that, is that they're not doing what Tesla is doing. What Tesla is doing, Tesla is creating an ecosystem like Apple. They're creating a strong ecosystem, and Polestar needs to do that. Polestar needs to have their own operating system. They're using Android, which is, it's not the way to go. They need their own operating system. They need to have a sentry mode, like Tesla cars. Tesla cars have sentry modes. They got like 9 cameras around the cars that activate if people damage your car. People key your cars. If your car is stolen, they got so much security in place. Polestar needs to do more of that. Polestar needs to do more of that. Go on Instagram and search Crypto Eats UK. They have 50K followers. All right. Let me check that out. Let me check that out. Now, what I'm getting is I'm getting a lot of like scam accounts, quite surprisingly. Um, so it's spelled Crypto Eats UK. Yeah, yeah. I'm getting a lot of spam accounts. It's quite annoying. No, I cannot find it. I cannot find it. I cannot find it, but that's okay, cause we have to end this video. But it's been a fantastic video though. Like seriously, you guys have been extremely supportive. You know, extremely supportive. Now I have to start making crypto videos for you guys. So expect more videos tomorrow. I don't think I'll upload any videos tonight because we've done a 3 hours live stream. We've just did a 3 hours live stream. Yeah, it's nuts. It's crazy. JW says he thinks it was a scam. Account is private with 3 followers now. Damn, maybe a scam. It happens. It happens. It happens. Cause I couldn't find him anywhere. Their website wasn't working. Nothing. Like it's crazy, but it happens. That's just part of life. Before I leave, let me remind you guys about the second channel. Check it out for sure. The videos are getting better as well. I must declare that the videos are not perfect. These are not perfect videos. The thumbnails, they look really nice. The videos are done really nice because I have music in the videos as well. So the videos are done really nice. So I think you guys would enjoy this. And it's like we're talking about shares and stocks and shares, that the prices, price analysis. We talk about that as well. So that's the good thing, is like we talk about everything. We talk about the companies and everything the companies have going on, you know. So yeah, I really like it if you guys check out the second channel. It's a big support because we're gonna be driving the second channel, like pushing the second channel to new heights. Both channels, you know. And from these channels, it's gonna go on to podcasts, merch, products. It's just gonna grow. It's just gonna grow big time. Try to get to work on the Discord. Yes, indeed, sir. Discord, and replying to comments on the YouTube channel. Those are a big focus, including the entire social media of the Twitter is so important as well for crypto. Twitter and Discord, they're both extremely important for success. So yeah, it's definitely on the radar. It's definitely in my mind. But yeah, it's just unfortunate that it doesn't happen over time because my time is so limited, and because I work, I study as well. It's a little bit difficult to manage the channel properly, but don't you guys worry. We're on the case. We're on the work. So Yeah, thank you, JW. Thank you, Soldier. Thank you, Tony. Thank all of you guys for watching today and liking. We've had 8 likes on this video. That's actually quite impressive. Now, the end of next year, when we're getting like 100 likes on a live streaming video, yeah, we're gonna be pretty excited as well, guys. We got big things to look forward to. So stick with me. Stick with me for sure. So yeah, thank you guys for watching today. I think we're gonna end the video here. You guys got the Discord. You guys, any ideas? But like I said, I'm not good at replying, so don't take it personal. Really, don't take it personal if I don't reply. Don't take it personal. I got a lot going on in life, and sometimes I neglect the channel even though I don't mean to, but don't take it personal. But yeah, we're on Twitter as well. But like I said, I'll be working on the Discord thing and the social media thing and the marketing thing a lot. But what's one of the most important things to me right now is learning 3D designing, because I'm studying it, and it's really important to creating NFTs. And when I create t-shirts, I'll put my 3D designs on those t-shirts. Loads of ideas to come out of for this channel, so big things to come. So you guys are gonna get to see my NFTs. That's exciting. I don't know if you guys like NFTs, but I love art. I love NFTs. So yeah, we're gonna end this video here, but thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 6,000 subs. 6,000 subs. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. It's incredible. And by the way, I like all of my videos. I don't know if you guys know, but I like all of my videos. If I don't like my videos, how do I expect other people to? You know, I like all of my videos. All of them, literally. Even the popular ones and the not so popular ones, I like every single one of my videos. Yeah, have a good one, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I'll try and make another live stream next week. We can try to do this on a weekly basis, live streaming. Definitely. And we can live stream anything. That's the amazing thing. I can play video games on this channel, even though you guys probably won't watch it. You guys probably unsubscribe, but it's just an example. We can do 3D design. You guys can watch me create NFTs. Lots of things to come for this channel. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. This is big. This is really, really amazing, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. Actually, it's the end of the weekend. It's Monday tomorrow. Shit. It's Monday tomorrow. Thanks. I'm out. Bye. Keep holding. Thank you, Soldier. Thank you for joining, bro. Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Thank you guys for joining. And for subscribing, and for liking, and for sharing. Everything. Literally, everything you guys done. A big thank you. Alright, see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Over and out, guys. Over and out. From a planet far, far away. Over and out.